What's up, everybody? Turn the music down. Hold on. All right. How's everybody doing tonight? What's going on? How's everybody? How's everybody's day? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you find yourself in the world. Welcome to the night shift here on the Rocket Scooter Day Trading with Matt channel. My name is Brad. I'm your host. For the final night shift of the week, I'm boot camps for the early birds. Say 909, already dropping in a boot camp. My gosh, bro. You can't even let me get through my intro. Holy crap. Thank you so much for that. There's 4 boot camps. Already loaded up. Oh my gosh. But anyway, where was I? Oh, I was saying, I hope that you had a great day today. I hope that whatever happened in your trading day over the last 8 to 10 hours, it doesn't matter. It's a brand new trading day right now. Friday is upon us, even though it's Thursday night here in the States. Friday is upon us, the last trading day of the week. We have had quite the sell-off today. I don't know if you guys were able to make any green off of that. I was able to pass my 25K flex eval, upgraded it instantly, tried to take a trade at the end of the day down here. Man, I was so freaking pissed. I bought right at MOC. So as soon as MOC hit, I bought, and I was underwater. Right at as it turned over into the new hour, it started climbing back up, and I was like, you know what? I need to be out by 4:10 anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and take what I could get. I cut my loss in half. I lost 170, and then I closed it right freaking there, man. I closed it. I closed it literally like at 4:08. So I closed it at right here, 4:08. 2 minutes later, we get that. I would have been up. If I would have waited 3 more minutes, I would have been up two grand. I would have been up $2,000. Freaking Trump, man. Oh, I was so freaking pissed. I think when you miss out on a big move, I don't know, there's something about missing out on a big move like that makes me more angry than losing a trade, making a bad trading decision, even blowing up an account. I've blown up so many accounts now, you know, it's just like in 2 years of trading futures, the amount of accounts I've blown up, I don't even want to think about it, especially in the early days when I didn't really know what the heck I was doing. But knowing that I was in it and I was right, you know, and then you see that literally 2 minutes after you close your trade, it's one of the most gut punch disheartening things in the world to see that massive big blue pill, blue chew candle pop off the screen right 2 minutes before right after you closed your position. Unfreaking believable. But you know what? It's fine. I just took a small little paper cut on that funded account. The 25K Pro evaluation, I also was green on the board. So it was a great day for me, man. Like, I was able to pass an eval, get it funded, made some green on the Pro eval. And was right about my assessment there on the end of the first trade I took there. I tried to short here right off of the open, came back to break even, closed it out, and now we're just chopping. Iran, I don't know if you guys saw, but Iran has already come out. You know, Trump, this big blue candle was all because Trump said, the Iranian government requested us to push pause and not hit any more of our energy plants for 10 days until April 6th, right? That's the news that's what Trump said at the end of the day that caused this big pump. And he said, we're doing it at the request of the Iranian government. And wouldn't you know, 20 minutes ago, the mediators that are talking to the Iranians on behalf of the U.S. said Iran has not requested any pause on energy site strikes. Again, it's just Trump blowing smoke. This is complete political smoke show. Every time he opens his mouth right now, I guarantee you, if it's not to say we have reached an agreement on an official ceasefire, anything else that he says, he's just trying to pump the market. That's all. He's trying to keep the market from completely crapping the bed and going, I didn't want to say it, but you know what I mean. That's all he's trying to do. This is complete political smoke show. So NQ reclaimed the original Monday Trump pump right here. This right here was where Trump came out and tweeted on Monday before the market opened. And all week long, we've been trading inside of there. And finally today, we get the sell-off, and NQ reclaims that Trump. ES has not taken out that low and has not gotten back down to the Trump tweet line. That I haven't marked out. Trump tweet Monday, right? ES is still trading inside of the opening gap from Friday to Sunday. NQ is trading below opening gap. This market has no desire to go higher. And this right here was just a liquidity grab. The market immediately repriced. We sold off all day long. We sold off through MOC. And this little salvation Hail Mary from Trump isn't going to do it. It's not going to do it. Right now, Asia Session is trying to decipher, is this political smoke show or not? I think we're going to sell off. If we get any pops, any pops up, I'm selling it again tonight. That's my bias. I'm looking for sells. I would like to see it maybe take a high, maybe retest Friday gap range, get back up here into the Trump area, the Trump tweet area, which was right up here around 23.890. If we get anywhere back up there, I'm looking to sell. NQ, HP and MHP are both overhead. Friday's gap, DD bands, all of this is going to hold this market down. ES, we have MHP below us that could hold anything up if we do want to try to crash out. Maybe I should mark a line here on the next, we should just have lines on our charts for all of Trump tweets. So that's kind of my bias for tonight. Sorry, I went off on a rant right away. I need to get in here and say good evening. Miss K911, I'm Liquidity. RTK Trades, welcome. Simo Show, Tony B, Patati Patata, Madeline, Spencer, Duarte Machado, Mag Dabrowski, Saint 909 with the boot camp delivery already, J Black, Gabe, Woo Outside, Lino Gardner, C Wisdom, what's up, Chris Z. Man, glad you guys are all in here. Ultimate Flow Objects, welcome in. Devin McGrath, thank you guys so much for supporting the stream. T4 Keeps 007, Mike Hawksmall. Bad news, I was still short there. Good news, Burger King siren, baby. You should You should go send Drops a message because he probably needs some help pickling some cucumbers, man. Mike Malner, welcome in. You were full port on 4 fundeds, waiting on that tweet. Unlucky 310 close, yeah. Marceline, welcome in. Nee Howell, welcome in. All of the new people, welcome in. I know we're getting a lot of new people coming into the show. Alternator, welcome back. Matt Evans, Doodah, Hero Villain HQ, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Glad you guys are here. Were you green today? Were you red today? Were you green today? Were you red today? Did you pass any evals? Is anybody requesting a payout tonight? Any fallen soldiers today on this big drop off? Did we have any knife catchers that just kept trying to catch a knife all day Let me know in the chat how your day was. We will have a pause here at the bottom of the hour. Green, red AF, LOL. Green taken only after longs. Just got my first ever payout of 26. Let's go, Chris. GG's. That's awesome. Moonboy's green. RKF, I'm looking for pops to sell here. This market is still cooked. Waiting for tomorrow. Got you. One fallen soldier on a funded. Kev, man. It's all right. Gone but not forgotten, buddy. Simo Show red. Mario Celine green. Genty Malaj, one fallen. All right. There's another. We'll pause in a moment to salute Mark Matthew Green Day. Gable Mar 880, 850 green, 880 green. Sorry, my contacts are getting fuzzy. Nico, what's up? Tolter says my accounts are more blown up than the Middle East. Hey, that's all right. We'll get it back, baby. Look, DTLT trades. Any headline that comes out, you can't believe it until. Listen, the only headline that matters is we have reached an official ceasefire. That is the only headline that matters. Anything else, you can just trust it's complete and pure propaganda. It is they're positioning for leverage. They're trying to spin and have a public relations battle and a psychological warfare. So yeah, no one knows what's going on, but here's what that means. Because no one knows what's going on, the market is going to be uneasy, and we're going to be closer to max fear than we are to euphoria, which means there's really no reason to buy. There's no good economic data. There's no good news on the war, no matter what Trump says. I mean, it's not great. You can see we're going to put in. My guess is we're gonna put in another low of the week tomorrow. So ES Monday low. I think we push down towards Monday low on ES. I think NQ takes out yesterday's low, Thursday low, and Monday's low. I don't think the low of the week is in. So because of that, I am gonna be looking to sell any pops that I can get. If we get any big blue candle, quick spikes, I'm going to be shorting them down. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm kind of far away from all of my big high volume pivots, like dynamic HP, MHP ways up here. If we get that high, obviously those are great shorts. I could short off of the Sunday open gap price, maybe Asia open, VWAP. I'm going to be looking for different things. I don't know how much the actual rocket scooter levels are going to come into play tonight. Maybe there's a play for MHP longs on ES down here. But besides that, I'm just going to be chilling. I don't want to get caught in the chop. I want to wait, be patient. There's no reason. There's a whole nother trading session tomorrow morning, all morning. Friday, I think you're going to have some decent price action. So if there's nothing that shows up tonight, it's okay. It's like going fishing. It's just good to get out in the boat and throw the line out in the water and see what happens. You might not catch any fish, but any day on the lake is better than any day behind a desk. You know what I'm saying? 3 hours sitting here with you watching price tick around and giving away free accounts and boot camps and telling jokes and laughing and listening to good music. Even if I don't take a trade, the night has already been won. RTK passed my 50K lucid this morning, lost 17 this afternoon after funded. I've been there, my friend. That instant upgrade will get you because you're like, ooh, I could go lock in one day right now after passing, and you sometimes can try to create a situation that may not necessarily be there. Yeah, I wish I was still in those longs when that tweet came out, man. It could be Iran not wanting to admit any weakness, that they want to do talks. I mean, it seems kind of like, yeah, I mean, obviously they've gotten the crap kicked out of them. But they're obviously also still shooting and fighting back. If they were really serious about a ceasefire, they would stop shooting and they would say, hey, let's negotiate a ceasefire. We're gonna halt all military actions for the next 24 hours at least, and let's see if we can get a ceasefire in place. Like, they are not holding the leverage right now from a military standpoint at all, right? They have nothing. The only thing that they have leverage over currently is the Strait of Hormuz, Karg Island, all of that kind of stuff. That's about all the leverage that they have left currently. And we have Marines there or headed there, ready to land and take Karg Island if that were to happen and needed to happen, or at least try to. There's no leverage for Iranians, so of course they want to save face and still to appear to position themselves from a position of strength. So of course it behooves them to deny anything that Trump says and call the guy a weirdo and an idiot and an old man and a liar and all the other things. So Nihao, what do you think about anchored VWAP on Trump tweet candles? Yeah, I saw one of our good friends, Dan Emmons, who's in the chat occasionally and watches this stream. He was having that up on his charts and using it, and I haven't messed with it. I don't really use anchored VWAP a ton, but I mean, at least from Trump tweets, I don't. So I don't know. Haven't really played with it. I'm not willing to just gamble, like, you know, I'm not willing just to start trying to throw it on the chart and see how it plays, you know, like that's something that you want to put some evals on, you know, something that you need to put a lot of time with it and forward test it to see what the actual results are. And I'm not just in a position to go do that right now. No real news till the 6th with the employment report, which is great. Yeah. And we'll see, man. Are we actually going to stop hitting energy sites for the next 10 days? Get through Easter weekend, you know, here in the States, and then see what happens. So yeah, you know, I who knows? And does that include Israel as well? Right? I kind of feel like Israel's kind of the wild card in this. Like, they haven't made any statements about. America's like, well, you know, what we said was we weren't gonna go hit any other energy plants, but our partners in crime over here, you know, we don't have any say over what they do. Wink, wink. Yeah. Yeah, I think Israel definitely wants a more. I think they have way clearer goals than we do on this. So far, the clearest goal that we have is we don't want them to have a nuclear bomb. I think Israel's like, we don't want them to have a nuclear bomb. We don't want them to have missiles. We don't want the religious extremists in charge of a government that is threatening to not burn us off of the world map constantly. So I think, you know, two different scenarios there. Yep. It's always the innocents that get the brunt of it, man. It sucks. So I hate war. I hate war. I am in the camp of let's do all we can to sustain what's best for humans to thrive. I don't think dropping bombs and missiles on each other is the best way for humanity to thrive in this world. Yeah, I mean, anytime you start putting God into the equation, and you start acting as though my actions are blessed by an almighty divine being, that's when it even gets more icky. Everyone does need to chill. You're right, P-Long. I'm in there. I'm in that camp with you. We all need to chill. Everyone just chill. The keyword tonight for every giveaway, chill the F out. Welcome to the stream, guys. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the night shift here on the Rocket Scooter Day Trading with Matt channel. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. We got about 200 people in the room right now. If you would, please do me a solid and smash that like button. We have some giveaways that we're going to do tonight. We've already had Saint 909 has already donated 1 boot camp right at the start of the stream. So we have 4 boot camps to give away. We have 2 funded accounts to give away. But it all starts, nothing happens until we get 200 likes on the board. So 200 likes, that's when everything starts. Chill the F out. Chill TF out. There it is. Chill TFO. That's what it'll be. Chill TFO or just CTFO. CTFO. There we go. We'll just abbreviate it. CTFO, baby. Can we just get back to living and not worrying about what war is going on somewhere in the world, man? I don't know. I gotta check the giveaway. Let me check the giveaway tonight in the giveaway treasure chest. Our good friend Slacks has put some juicy little accounts in there. We have a funded next 25K rapid account and the Big Daddy, a $200 credit to the futures desk that you can basically build your own challenge. That's pretty badass too. So excited about that. So we have two great accounts to give away tonight. We have at least 4 boot camps. My gut tells me we'll probably have more. Dude, Matt gave away 56 accounts this morning on his stream. And I wanted to say, oh, that's cute. I didn't put it in the chat, but I wanted to go, oh, look at you. Bless your heart. You gave away. Good for you, buddy. Look at you. Look at you, little buddy. Giving away 56 boot camps. You only need about 125 more to catch up with the night shift for the week. For the week. Oh, I was happy for him. You know, I mean, we did 52 last night. We did 28 on Tuesday. We did 20 on Monday. We did 26 on Sunday. And we're already up to 4 tonight. So, oh my God, rookie numbers. Hassan says, hey buddy, just joined your channel for the first time. Respect from PK. Welcome in, buddy. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you for dropping in and welcome to the channel. Hope you hang out and check it out for a little while. Smash that like button if you would. We get to 200 likes, we will do our first giveaway. And we're already here at the bottom of the hour. It was a tough day for a lot of accounts out there. We gave some orders to some of our soldiers. That's what we call our accounts. They're our little soldiers. We sent them out into battle to fight for us and to bring back some greenbacks for us. But they don't always come back, do they? Sometimes they go out and they pay the ultimate price, but they're gone. But they're not forgotten. And we just like to pause here every night on the night shift and just remember the sacrifice that they paid for us in this journey to profitability, journey to full-time day trading, journey to financial freedom. We're going to have some fallen soldiers along the way. But in the meantime, we just pause to remember.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you. We salute you. We do, we do, we do. Gone but not forgotten. Gabe says, honestly, it's probably the soldiers' fault, but hey, it's part of the game. Yeah, I mean, they just didn't do... They went on the wrong side of the market. I mean, what can we do? We just push buttons. If they were on the wrong side of the market, it's kind of their fault, isn't that? I hope no one comes in and sees that video think it's related to the actual war. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we play it every night. We did it before the war started, and we'll do it after the war's gone. We're in a war. This war never ends. Have you not ever played Fallout? War never ends. That is the best. Fallout 4 is my favorite goated video game of all time. I have put thousands of hours. What's up, Trey? Welcome in, buddy. Welcome in. Demonetized. Lucas says, I'm late. What did I miss? More house music. I'm addicted to Edge Never Sleeps. It's a great song, man. I'm working on 2 others, and then I'm gonna get to some more house music, yeah. But I haven't got any more up yet right now. I'm still here. That's right. You have fallen soldiers, but guess what? I'm still here. They said it wouldn't last. I'm still here. I'm still here, baby. We ain't going nowhere. What's up, Vova Quigley? My night's going great. That song yesterday was so fire. We're glad you liked it, man. We'll play it again tonight, I'm sure. Hassan says 8K down, but still alive yet. There you go. There you go. Hit that like button, guys. We got about 93 more likes to go to trigger our first giveaway. Let's see if we can get it up there before the first hour rolls over here. I'm Trey D says, I've got 30 songs loaded up, ready for songwriting competition. What are you waiting on, man? Drop them in the song submission channel. Let's go. What's up, Ann Host? How you doing? Thanks for tuning in tonight. Glad you're here. Lucas says, I told Matt he should hire you as a full-time DJ for all 3 streams. Hey, Matt can't afford this. What are you talking about? Nah, I would do it for free. I just do it for tips. I'm on all 3 streams anyway. I just don't have control over. Neon plays my. He uses my Suno playlist, but I don't think he has all the latest songs from it. I don't think he has. I think he's missing. I think he's missing about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think he's missing like the last 10 that I wrote. I don't think he has any of those. Oh yeah, I want to hear your song that you did for Neon. I think you played it. I think he played Played it in the, I think he played it in the stream. I'll have to go look in a minute. We're just stuck in this tight little choppy range. I'm looking for a pop. To sell. You know, obviously HP or MHP would be the best places to sell from. But even the bottom of this gap right here, I wouldn't be mind, or even just selling back above some of these highs. That's going to be kind of what I'm waiting for. Orange Man spoke earlier. What's your opinion regarding the yellow metal? So yeah, I'm not a gold trader. We look at it every night just because there's people that jump in and they're like, hey, what do you think about gold? And I'm just like, well, it's selling off, it's made a lower high, lower low. It's put in a lower high here. So, I mean, maybe technically speaking, you'd think price might want to drop. It might want to drop. It sold off hard today. You know, yesterday's low would probably be my first target if I was just thinking from a technical standpoint. Previous day low at 43, 46, but I don't know. I'm not a gold trader, man. I know a lot of people like to trade the metals in the evening sessions. It's just not my vibe. So this red box on my screen here, this is the Friday close to the Sunday open. This is the new week gap. This is the new week gap, the red box with the halfway gap, half gap on my chart right there. I like to keep new week gaps on the latest new week gap. They are powerful pivot areas, I have learned. And then of course we've got Tuesday's low back up here. The previous day highs and lows are on here. My DD bands, my dynamic weekly hedge pressure, my dynamic monthly hedge pressure, Trump tweet. There's all kinds of like lines on here. Don't let it get too confusing. If you have a question about a line that you see on the chart, ask me what it is and why it's there, and I'm more than happy to educate you on why it would be on my chart. Yeah, gold and silver both seem to be trading like meme coins. I think you're right. What I don't want is for the next 3 hours for price to get stuck inside a 50-point range just back and forth. Not what I want to see. I don't think, again, I just don't think that Trump saying we're not going to bomb him, that doesn't mean Israel's not going to bomb him. And the Iranians have already come out and said, we did not ask them to do that. So I still feel like we're going to put in another low. I don't think the low of the week is in. My opinion is the low of the week is not in. So I'm going to be looking to sell any pops. Chill House or Brad, Techno for Neon. I like it. I like it. The songs have been fun. Well, I'm glad you like it, buddy. The genre for Matt. Matt likes kind of the metal stuff, man. He's kind of he's a metalhead. Like the early 2000s, mid 2000s, early millennial metalhead stuff. He kind of vibes with. So maybe something along those lines. Not super screamo. I think he doesn't. I think he kind of likes. He likes the harder stuff. But for the stream, if it gets too screamo, he just dumps it. So I mean, it might be okay to have like one line in there where they scream something. But Chuck Berry, yeah. Scott, the first place I would look is to see if we can take out some of these highs on NQ. We're approaching them on ES, this half gap area from ES above these highs, maybe potentially might be the first place I would look to take a stab short. For NQ, above these highs, somewhere up above Fridays or the Sunday open print might be the next location I would consider. The book is really kind of thin. You're getting just 1-2 orders popping through here, so it's not like you're getting a ton of volume on any spikes up. So he likes the harder what? Indie rock, yeah, he would probably like some of the indie rock stuff. Matt just likes. I think Matt is just a. I don't want to speak for him, but I think he just likes good music. Like if it's a good tune and has a good vibe and a good groove and a good hook. Y'all, if you're gonna try to write, listen. Here's a clue for good Suno AI music. Start with the chorus. Start with the hook. That is the most important part of the song. You have to have a strong hook. That's what people remember. That's what people are going to sing. That's what people are going to get. It's going to get stuck in their head is the hook of the song. And so the title of the song, you're going to want in the hook of the song. And you know, you need to build it off of, or you need to build the hook around that. So start with a good hook, get the hook down lyrically the way you want it, and then you can build out verses and a pre-chorus or a bridge or, you know, any other stuff that you want to do. Start with the hook. Yeah, Matt used to play in a metal band. I think he actually sung and played bass and sung. Did the vocals. Yeah, he definitely appreciates the creativity. You're 100% right. Just write a good song and he'll appreciate it. I did hear it. Yeah, no, it was nice. I heard it, Kyle. Yeah, it was a great one. T4 PM Trinity says, what does dynamic MHP and HP mean? So those are hedge pressure and month. So the green line HP is weekly hedge pressure. The orange line is dynamic monthly hedge pressure. You can see them on both of our charts. These are rocket scooter high volume pivots that the algorithm calculates and we put on the charts before the session begins, both the overnight session and the New York session. They're part of the Rocket Scooter Tool platform that we use. Now, we only have access to the overnight levels during the New York session. We have liquidity pockets, liquidity maps. We have HP, MHP, DD bands. We have all of the resilience indicators that tell us the strength of the market, the underlying market that we're tracking. And it's all based off of the maximum gamma exposure for the dealer options and the underlying, so for SPY and QQQ and how they correlate over to ES and NQ futures. But they are extremely accurate and they provide you incredible levels to find actionable trade ideas and setups off of. And we're going to be giving away 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps tonight, at least 4. Saint 909 already donated 1 boot camp and Matt matches it by 3. So we already have 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps. If you would like to be in that, just hang out in the stream tonight. And at some point later on in the evening, we will be we'll be giving those away. The ES Mini. There you go. There's ES. What's up, Brad Petty? Welcome in, bud. Eva Trade says, how was Lady Darb's birthday lunch? It was great. So we ended up not like getting all dressed up and fancy. I asked her what she wanted to do today, and she said, I want to read. I want to work out. And then I want to have lunch. And then I want to take a nap. So we worked. She chilled out in the morning while I was just trading and watching the charts. She just read by herself quietly in her room. And then after that, I passed my eval and I added 250 on this other pro account eval. Got the other one funded, and I was like, all right, babe, I'm done for the day. What do you want to do? And she's like, let's go work out. So we got our gym clothes on and we went and worked out at the gym for like an hour and got all sweaty and got a good workout in. And then after the workout, I was like, what do you want to do for lunch? And she's like, I don't really feel like getting dressed up. Can we just go get some fajita, a combo fajita for two from Lupe Tortilla, which is a really nice Mexican restaurant close by to where we live down here, and there's several of them in the Houston area. So we went and got fajitas, picked it up, took it home, and we sat and ate fajitas and then she took a nap. And then yeah, I mean, now she's at her class. She's teaching her hot Pilates class right now. She's about 20 minutes into her hot Pilates class. Perry's pork chop, no. I think we're gonna do. I gave her some choices. Perry's one is one of the choices tomorrow. So tomorrow is actually we're gonna like do a bigger celebration for her. So Perry, she may do Perry. She really loves Perry's. That was one of the choices. So we may be doing Perry's tomorrow. Spencer says, have you been better about not letting the stream get in your head? Yeah, absolutely, man. It was just a mental shift I had to make. You know, just not any one thing flipped the switch for me other than just, you know, it was just like, I'm a 50-year-old grown ass man. I don't know if y'all remember me talking about that on the stream that night, but I was just like, I'm just going to trade. And ever since then, things have been up and to the right. Took a payout already from my funded futures since then, working on a new funded account, passing a new eval. So yeah, no, it's all good right now. I'm gonna lose trades. I mean, this week has actually been really good for the stream. I have been green almost every night on the stream. And if I ended red, like one night I ended red and I was able to, in the New York session, make it all back. So, no, I did not do hot Pilates. We just went to the gym and worked out. I am not the hot Pilates guy. Dude, y'all don't understand how hard hot Pilates is. It is difficult. It is difficult. All right, guys, welcome into the stream. We got about 300 in the room right now. So if you would smash that like button for us as soon as we get to 200. As soon as we get to 200, we will do our first giveaway of the night. The Friday pork chop special, yeah. That's kind of why I was kind of planning it around that, you know. That the Perry's pork chop is amazing.
Arriba!
50-year-old, you're just a kid. An old kid, younger than me. Yeah. My bias is short. I'm just waiting for a pop to sell. There's nothing to do. There's no edge here. It's just floating around in the middle of no man's land right now. So there's. I mean, and if you want to scalp a range, I'm not a range scalper. It's not my. I have no edge there. I have no trading there. You know. When I first started streaming a month ago, I would have been like, oh, I'm just going to put one micro on because people want to see me trade. Now I'm like, no, I'm only going to take a trade if it fits my trading plan. That's all I'm going to do. The market's not doing much at all right now. It's just after a big day, we had a big range day, a huge range day. It makes sense that why would it just all of a sudden put in a big range for Asia, you know? It makes more sense that the market may want to just be like, hey, let's Let's just kind of see how things are moving. If we get any volatility spikes, I'm going to be looking to short them back down into the range. So I would like to see price come up a little bit higher. ES has taken out the kind of short-term high. There's another one up here at 65.55. If it gets up there, that might be a good short. NQ, I would look to short from up here. So I'm just going to be kind of keeping my eye on both of them. And if we get a pop, you'll see it on my screen, man. If I get in a trade, you'll see it on my screen. DTLT Trade says, I'm a Rocket Scooter subscriber and the green DD band 660225 doesn't show on my chart. Is it something that is manually calculated or it should appear automatically on the chart after market closes? So, on the platform, on the Rocket Scooter platform, at the bottom of all of this is the risk interval for each of the instruments. So the way that I calculate it is off of the last print price. It may calculate it off of the spike close price. I'm not sure. Let's look. 66. Let me look at ES. We're 66.41. Oh, that's not even the right. That's not even the right. No, it's on M. Maybe I need to refresh. Hold on. Yeah, so 660225 is the upper DD band, and that's right where I have it. See, they're listed in this table down here. I calculated it on my own before this updated, because sometimes this doesn't update until the until a little bit into the Asia session. So I just take the close. You just take the close price wherever the market closes, which is right here. It closed at 65.35.50, which is exactly what it says right here. You take the risk interval number, which is calculated and updated every day. You take the risk interval 66.75. You just add it to that and you subtract it from that to get your upper and lower DD bands. So I just do the calculation before I get on the stream, because sometimes it's not always updated in the table itself. It takes some time into the session before that updates. But that's where you get that information for the overnight sessions. And this will stay on all through the New York session tomorrow. These DD bands will be the DD bands all day for the next whatever 18 hours. Getting a little pump up here on ES and NQ. This is what I was hoping for. I'm going to be patient and wait for it to kind of pump up a little bit before I try to take a short off of this. And I could be wrong. I'd rather be wrong from the right place. I'm not going to take a stab from all this. I would rather it be up a little bit higher and try to fade it back down into that range. Brett Pay says, just trade your edge like we all should be doing. That's the hardest lesson. Sit on your hands till a market comes to you. That's really the name of the game, Brad. And for anybody trading, it's like you just, if you're a good trader, if you're a profitable good trader, then you have edge in the market. And if you are a good profitable trader, that means you know when your edge is there. Your edge is not there just because the market is open. You have to wait for your edge to show up. If your edge isn't there, you don't trade or you don't put on a position. Sitting and waiting is trading. Sitting on your hands and not being in a position is trading. If you want to gamble, stop buying evals, go to the nearest casino and put it all on black. Because that's basically what most traders want to do when they're popping through different YouTube streams all night. They're just wanting someone to tell them what color to put it on, what color button to push at the top of the screen. Should I push blue or should I push red? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Tell me, what button should I push? Push a button, bro. Why aren't you pushing a button, man? Well, because I'm not a gambler. I'm waiting for my edge to show up so that I can take the best possible opportunity for me to be profitable in my trade. So, you know, hang out here long enough. I say it quite frequently. I don't know how much you're going to trade if you watch my stream, but the goal is for you to be a better trader because you watch my stream. And so what you're going to see is patience, discipline, finesse, and sometimes I'm going to be right and sometimes I'm going to be wrong. And that is what streaming is all about. That's what trading's all about. The best streamers are transparent. They put all their trades, they have their DOMs up, they have their accounts up, they have their position size up. You see it all. And just to be completely transparent, I'll show you, this was the Lucid Pro 25K. This was today. It's the first day I took a trade on it. I took one trade. There's my trading history. I took one trade. That's it. And then on the funded account, I had another eval. It passed, so it's not here anymore. I passed it this morning, and it immediately became funded. And I took a small loss at the end of the trading session today, right before Trump put out that tweet, and I would have been up 2K. Freaking Trump, man. 2 minutes after I closed that out for a small loss, oh God, that sucks. But this is my complete trading journey. You guys get to follow along and watch me do it all. All right, let's smash that like button, guys. Thank you so much for jumping into the stream for us tonight. We're trying to get to 200 likes. It'll trigger our first giveaway of the night, a fund the next 25K rapid account. We also have a $200 credit to the futures desk where you can build your own eval. And we have already had one. We've already had one member of the community donate a boot camp, a rocket scooter boot camp. So that's 4. We will match it times 3. So that's 4 boot camps that we're going to give away at least. We have given away no less than 20 boot camps every night this week. Last night we gave away 50. So we'll see what happens with all that as the stream goes on, and you know, people ask questions. What about green? Green is Trump. You can't ever plan. Trump is like the green on the roulette table. There's red, black, all your numbers, and then you have green. And you never know when green's gonna come up, but when it does, everybody's like, damn it! Trump is the green 00. Brad, it goes back and forth. I don't know, man. It's a both and. I don't know that I trade one more than the other. It just kind of depends. It really kind of depends on how they interact with the rocket scooter levels. One of them may be closer to one or the other, and so that's the one that I'll typically go with. The green goblin, yeah. All thanks to Matt's blind monkey theory, changed my trading completely, no flip-flopping. There you go, buddy. Seawiz says, I wish I didn't miss that. I left at like 3:05 to go cook some Wally my dad brought me. Yeah. All right, first hour is about in the books here. We got about 4 more minutes, and then we'll get a new hourly candle. We'll see what kind of volatility comes in. I don't think we've had any more crazy news. A Thai-flagged cargo ship hit in Hormuz attack, runs aground off Iran's Geshem Island. So Looks like a ship tried to get through and got attacked and has now been run aground. That's not great. I kind of wanted, I wish NQ would have gotten up a little bit higher. It didn't get out of that range high enough for me to be comfortable taking that trade back down. So let's see if we can get one more pump up before I short this thing. That half gap on ES might have been the play there. The half gap from the new week open. The new week open gap there. He waits until either the markets are closed or right before the markets are come online, so that his people have the best opportunity to position themselves before it happens. Profit Thread Slow, love your stream. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, buddy. I want to see one more. I want to see one more push up here. I would like to see one more run into these highs. Above these highs actually would be the ideal spot to short from for me tonight. What are y'all gonna do this weekend? Anybody got good plans for the upcoming weekend? I'm not gonna be able to. I won't see you guys again until Sunday night. I'm gonna be. We're gonna be celebrating Lady Darb kind of in a nice way tomorrow. We're actually gonna have like a birthday celebration for her tomorrow, and then my son's birthday is on Saturday. His girlfriend's birthday was 2 days ago. So next weekend, Easter weekend, I have my daughter that we saw up in north of Dallas, up in Denton. They're gonna come down next weekend for Easter weekend. We're all gonna be here. We're all gonna have a big old like multi-birthday family party and stuff next weekend too. So you're going to Huntington Beach? Sweet. That sounds fun. Your weekend's already started. Let's go. You're at the casino right now, Saint 909? No way, dude. Are you really? What casino are you at? Armando's got some golf on the books. Nice. Oh, your youngest had a birthday today too? That's my Lady Darb's my wife's birthday today. It's a great day. Moon Boy working in my garden and greenhouse, transplanting fruit trees. Tomorrow's your lady's birthday. Man, what was going on 9 months ago? Every year that so many people's birthdays. There's that little new hour spike here. This is good. This is good. I like this. I like this. Let's get a little pumpage. I got my finger on the sell button here. See if we can tickle a wick. LA Hustler? La Hustler playing poker? What's LA Hustler? Where's that at? Is it La Hustler or is it LA Hustler? Playing poker? Barcelona's calling the next week. All right. You had the first iterations for Matt's song. Definitely needs some polishing. All right, cool, cool. Keep working on it, man. Don't let us hear it until you're in love with it. You have two sisters, and are they twins? Oh, you drove from dude, that's a long drive. We have driven from Colorado back for like some ski trips and stuff. We've made that drive. That is a long drive. You had a beautiful short on your Lucid Pro. Nice. Just want to see a little more pumpage here. I want to see one more pop. I'm gonna be patient. I want to see it kind of try to get back up into that bottom of that gap there. 4 years apart and they're on the same birthday? That's crazy. Oh, you want to play their live stream? Gotcha. You're practicing. Full Tilt Filters, what's up, buddy? What's up? The red box is the new week opening gap. So the top of the box is last Friday's closing print, and the bottom of the box is the gap down Sunday opening print. It's just this week's new week opening gap. So this is where we closed Friday. This is where we opened Sunday, and that's the box. You can see the Friday's close price, how it supported price. You can see down here, it held underneath. This is support. This is resistance, support here. Acted as once we broke through. You can see half gap is a good high pivot. I'm anticipating it to be another strong pivot here as well. If we can get, I'd like to see us push up into that a little bit before I take a stab short here. You can definitely, I mean, if you think this is going to be an undershoot, you know, you could maybe get small and then add. Let's see, how far is this? This is from here to HP's 37 points. Maybe take, I would look to take 3 here and then maybe add a full position of 7 here. But I want to get it. I want it to get to my level. I'm going to be patient. I want it to get to my level. We'll see if it can. This may be the undershoot right here, unfortunately. It did clear out those highs. Yes, I did, Brian. I manually transfer them over to TradingView so that I can have the levels on the same chart, so that when I execute, you guys can see my trades on the chart with the levels there. That's why I do that. You can't trade prop firms. You can trade your brokerage account inside a Rocket Scooter, but you can't trade prop firms in here. That's why you see Matt have it up and Neon have it up, but then like Neon will have his NinjaTrader up above him where he's executing trades off of. And Matt has his live account over here. He just uses this as charting. I just like to see it on TradingView so that I can have it all on the same platform that I'm executing on. Pretty soon, Rocket Scooter tools will be inside of Go Charting and NinjaTrader and Wealth Charts. All of those things I think will be coming at some point this year. Go Charting, I think here, they're working on it right now. They've already got, I think they've got like the liquidity maps and stuff already inside of it. They're trying to get the rest of the API worked out to make it work right. As soon as it's available in Go Charting, I will probably switch from TradingView into Go Charting so that I can pull all of this into the same, that way I can just have it all in one spot. That's the beautiful part of it, is having it all in one spot. Rocket Scooter is its own platform, yes. It's entirely own platform. This is all unique to Rocket Scooter. It looks similar to TradingView. Most of the trading platforms you see are very similar to TradingView. It's, you know, the GitHub stuff. It's all available to make it all look very similar. But all of this is Rocket Scooter. This is all Rocket. Everything is Rocket Scooter. This is a Rocket Scooter platform. And we're going to be putting all of these features inside of NinjaTrader, Go Charting, Wealth Charts, other charting platforms. Matt has talked about this, that he wants to get out of being in the platform business and just be a tools provider. Provide the tools and keep improving the tools that you can use in any platform that you want. Well, dang it. I may not get my wish. Maybe half gap will support here. We'll get one more pump up. But if half gap, if we close back inside half gap here and we get a, you know, this could act as resistance and push it down further, that might be the cue. Because we've already run the highs here. I don't know. I'm gonna hold off for one more. I want to see one more pump up. Dude, my profit target is usually about one risk. Whatever my risk is, I usually go for 1-to-1. So if I'm risking 40 points, I want to try to get 30 or 40 points of profit out of that. Whatever you're, that's just the best way for me to describe it. Holding underneath half gap here. This could be a cheap short because you could have a really tight 4 or 5 point stop at the high here. I'm gonna hold. I want to see one more run up. When's the rocket scooter prop firm gonna open? I don't think that's ever gonna be happening. Matt has said he has absolutely zero desire to be in the prop firm game. Oh, I never looked, Kyle. I am liquidity. I never went in to find the Suno page. Yeah, that was a big news candle, Brian H. That was Trump saying that they're gonna take a 10-day pause. They're going to take a 10-day pause of striking energy plants in Iran. And so the market freaked out, of course, and then sold off. And then Iran came out, I don't know, about 45 minutes ago and said, we never asked him to do that. Because part of his speech when he was talking about it. What's up, Dan? Part of his big speech was, yeah, we're doing this because the Iranian government requested us to stop for 10 days. And so we're going to do that. We'll do that for them. But then Iranian government came out and said, we never said that. That was the spike. Dang it, I wasn't quick enough here. Come back up. I want to get in with 3. I'm going to get in with 3 here. I wasn't quick enough on that wick tickle there. I'm going to get in with 3. If we get up to HP, I will add in a full size position there. Dave Max has made $200 already. I like when I can get some easy points in Asia and London. Yeah, I said that last night. When you get green, when you can put some green on the board for the Asia session, the overnight session, you go into New York, you already kind of have this confidence boost, and you also kind of feel like I've got some extra wiggle room to play with, right? I kind of, this is probably not the right way to think about it absolutely at all, but you kind of feel like, hey, I've got some house money to play with going into the New York session here. Oh, it can definitely go higher here. Absolutely. I am 100% reserve the right to be completely wrong on this trade. I am short biased. The entire last hour, I have told you why I'm short biased. And I told you the entire last hour, I was waiting for it to pop so that I could look for a good place to sell from a high. So that's the entire reason that I am getting into this position right here. I wanted to get on that wick and I didn't have my button ready to fire off the wick tickle. But I'm gonna look here, let's see. You know, somewhere back down underneath these lows would be a great TP area for me right here. Back inside the range. Remember I said I wanted to fade a pop and get back down inside the range. And so that's what I'm going to do. If this thing drifts higher, I'll add to it at HP up here. I'll add 7 contracts up at HP and go with a full position size DCA in. Guys, 8 more likes and we will trigger our first prop account giveaway tonight from Funded Next. 6 more likes. Once we get to 200 likes, we will trigger our first account giveaway tonight. I mean, it would be great to see this thing sell off back down to the Asia Open. I don't know that we're going to get there, but we'll see. VWAP area is probably, I would be happy to probably take a full TP there and then wait to see if we got another pump. We have boot camps to give away, but we'll start with our, what's up, Wafitos? Welcome in, man. Welcome everybody to the stream. If you're just joining the stream, my name is Brad. I need to put that on the screen somewhere because every night we get people coming in here and saying, hey, what's up, Matt? This is the Day Trading with Matt Rocket Scooter YouTube channel. And I am the host of the night shift. This is the night shift. We're here every single night, Sunday night through Thursday. When the market's open, we're here every single night that the market is open. 7 p.m. Eastern until I get tired. Usually around 10 Eastern, 10:30 Eastern. It's 3.5 hours ish. You know, just we'll see how the vibes are going and how the chat's doing. If we're in any trades, all that kind of stuff. If people keep donating boot camps, we're here late. We gave away 50 boot camps last night because people kept donating them. My goal is to get everyone that watches this stream a boot camp so that there's no one left to give them to. And I have to give them all to Matt and Neon to give away on their shows. No, I don't think there's any news other than that. There was a boat, a Thai cargo ship was trying to get through the Strait of Hormuz and was attacked. And it has run aground on one of the small islands in the Strait of Hormuz. So that's the news that we're in right now. That's the latest news, war news at least. I'm a little upset at myself that I didn't tickle that wick up there. I was waiting. I just didn't have my mouse over there. By the time I got back over, it had already dropped 10 points. Back inside the range here now, so I'd like to see it stay inside this range. Nice rejection off of that 15-minute candle there. That's a really nice rejection there. I like that. Yeah, man, I think this is going to be a good trade here. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't just rip back up completely here. Saint 909 donated a second boot camp and he said, just because I won a nice hand. You're tipping the dealer, you're tipping the stream out. Nice hand, baby. Let's go. That's 2 from Saint 909 tonight. That's 8 boot camps. Oh, that's hilarious. There we go. GG's, baby. All right, gonna wait for another pop-up. Almost got that account back to break even there. Listen, I'm telling y'all, you've got to be patient. You've got to be patient. You got to know where your edge is. You got to know why you want to take a trade, and you don't just fire off and press buttons. Please do not copy trade me. I'm going to be wrong. I'm going to lose. I've been on a really good streak this week on the stream, so 1 for 1 tonight. We'll see if we get another opportunity here. Three micros doing some work. Pulling this funded account back up to break even here. I like it. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. Yeah, I'm short bias. I'm gonna be looking for more sells. So if we get another pump back up, I'm gonna sell it again. If this thing just melts from here, I'm not gonna chase it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. See if we get another. See if we get one. If we get another push back up into these highs, I might try to take another. Maybe use ES here. If ES gets back up into the half cap area, maybe use ES the next time. I don't know. But that was just a very simple, patient. Talked it out, waited an entire hour for an hour and 18 minutes. We waited an hour and 18 minutes for that to happen. I wanted to see what I wanted to get. I wanted the pop. Short bias. Scalped out 30 points. 30 points a day keeps the bill collector away. I'm not gonna push buy now. I definitely we're back inside the range, the choppy range we're in. I want to see if price wants to explore up here one more time, and if it does, I'm gonna look to sell off. The market is. I still feel like we're gonna make a new low. I think yesterday's low and Monday's low. I think we're not done. I think we're gonna make a new low for the week. It doesn't have to be tonight. We could certainly melt up. We could certainly just kind of keep taking steps up. And if we get another pop up into here, I'll sell that back down. If we get another pop up, I'll sell that back down. I think, you know, a scenario that you could see play out right now, two scenarios. You could see something like this. And then London gets, and we just start doing this. And then New York hits, and we just sell off hard through New York again. That's number one. Number two could be, you know, we get this, we make a new low in London, and then we close back up. New York opens somewhere in here, and then we just chop around for New York and close out the week near the lows. So we could sell off from here, and you know, obviously there it goes. You know, Asia Open is where I might, like, if we get a strong, another idea for me would be if we get a strong close and then come back up and retest the Asia Open, and it looks like it's kind of rejecting and holding underneath there, sell that off into the lows. I'm not gonna buy. I don't want to buy this market at all right now. I have absolutely no desire to be in a long position whatsoever. Did we get Trump's considering sending another 10,000 ground troops to the Middle East? Yeah, I mean, see, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, news like that comes out, and you almost just like hit sell. I just don't want to sell from the middle of the range at all. I don't want to sell from the middle of the range. 250 away from passing the account. Bro, don't force it. I want to see I want to see this. I want to see a push back up in here, and then I'll sell it again. That's kind of what I hope to see happen. I don't know that we're gonna get it. This news candle to me is like a complete disregard. Like, it's the market. We hit MOC, we sold off all the way into the close. Settlement is way down here. Settlement is like around 23,786-ish area. I don't have the exact number, but it's somewhere around there. The settlement price. It makes sense that we get back down there sooner rather than later. Yeah, that was my other one. If we get a strong close underneath the Asia Open, get a retest of that, potentially sell that down into the lows. Hedge pressure. HP is hedge pressure, and then MHP is monthly hedge pressure. There's the Asia Open right there. Man. Look at that. I don't think this thing's done dumping. Is ES has still got MHP to go on it. Both of them sitting right back at their opens right now. NQ trading just above it. ES trading just above it. I told you, man, that weekly half gap, that is a strong pivot. I'm glad I caught some of that move. Way to go. GG's on anybody that caught that short with me. Oh, I haven't even been paying attention. Dude, we're at 230 likes. Let's go, guys. 230 likes. Let's go, baby. All right, we got a funded next account to give away tonight. We're going to do a funded next account. It's a 25K rapid. 25K rapid funded next account. These are fantastic accounts. They are 1 day to pass, 3 days of 40% consistency, and you can get your payout. So you can go from eval to payout in 4 days. I did this a lot back when these accounts came out in August and September. Man, I milked these 25K rapids from Funded Next. Back then they had there was no profit split. There was no payout caps on how much, like their payout cap is $800 on the 25K. So yeah, dude, these are great. Airstrike along with 3 missiles targets buildings in Beirut, southern suburbs. So more war news from Israel into Lebanon. And all right, who remembers the keyword we're using tonight? Who remembers the keyword we're using tonight? CTFO, baby. CTFO. Chill the F out, everybody. Chill the F out. Can the world just chill the F out, please? CTFO. That's the keyword. Type it in. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes. I'll give you a couple of minutes to get that typed in. We're giving away a Funded Next 25K rapid account. If you don't win and you would like to try these accounts out, you can use code ROCKET at checkout and you'll get the best deal available. Code ROCKET at checkout gives you the best deal available. This is why you don't short from the lows here. You need confirmation before you just jump in. CTFO, come on, world. Trump, Iran, Israel, Putin, Ukraine, CTFO, baby. Did anybody see Matt post on X? Oh, hold on. I don't know if y'all saw this. Where is it? Hold on. Yeah, here it is.
Every move's a pulse, breaking the chains. Steady on the path, I trust the flow. One step closer where dreams overflow.
Matt caught that wick. Matt was in the market long when Trump tweeted. Bro made 88K today. He's up 444,000 on his cash account. That a week and a half ago, he had withdrawn. He was sitting at like 550 or something, and he with 560 took all of that out down to 200,000 a week and a half ago. He was a week and a half ago, y'all. He was at 200K a week and a half ago. My man is up $244,000 in 10 freaking days. Who else out there is doing this? Unfreaking believable, man. Unfreaking believable. It's insane. Like, that is just absolutely insane to me, man. That's crazy. Yep. I mean, he's got to be, I think with the withdrawal now, he's probably somewhere close to 700. He's got to be. So, I mean, he was at 550. Add in 240. Yeah, I mean, he's got to be like over 700K or close to it at least. 88K day, baby. $88,000 in one day. One day. It's unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. All right, let me see. We got 40 more seconds, guys. 40 seconds. CTFO. Code word is CTFO. Chill the F out. That's our message to the world tonight. Chill the F out, please. Can we stop killing people? Can we stop dropping bombs? Can we stop shooting missiles? Can we just chill the F out? Yeah, dude, just think, you're right. If the flower fiasco hadn't hit, dude would be at $1 million right now. 3, 2, 1. All right, I got all the names. You can stop typing. If you've typed, you're in. If you're not in, you're not in. Like, no more typing. It's done. I'm putting in all the users right now. All the users are here. I'm gonna take out Rock Scooter. CTFO, chill the F out. We're giving away a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. All right, we're giving away a 25K Rapid account from Funded Next. Good luck. We're spinning it up. Let's go. The winner is. That doesn't look sus at all. If that's you, type something in the chat. Let's see how fast you can switch your accounts. Bruh. Bruh. You have 10 seconds to type something in chat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. Bye. All right. The real winner, Swagger Pilot. Swagger Pilot, you're the winner of a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. If you would please type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Swagger Pilot. Thanks, you got it, buddy. All right, Swagger Pilot, you're gonna go into the description of this video, and you're gonna find the link to our Discord. Go into the contest channel and find our admin named Slacks there. Let him know that you won the Funded Next account. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. You're gonna need to have an email set up with Funded Next as well, and then he'll hook you up with how to claim your prize. All right, congratulations, man. Thanks for being here and supporting the stream. You guys keep smashing that like. We're almost to 300. At 300 likes, we do our next giveaway. We do our next giveaway at 30 more likes. And that is going to be a $200 credit. $200 credit to the Futures Desk, where you can build your own evaluation, basically. They give you some beginning parameters, and then you can go in and customize it and move the sliders around until it looks the way you want, and then you got a $200 credit to spend with them. So that's going to be cool. That's a really good giveaway. All right, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? This thing still feels heavy to me. This thing still feels heavy to me. I'd kind of like to see another push back up in here. I'm gonna wait. Sit out and chill. That's right, man. Let's listen to good tunes. Who was here last night to hear my new song, I'm Still Here? Who did not get to hear my song? That's a better question. Who did not get to hear the new song, I'm Still Here? Rogue, I made a song called Hit That Motherfucking Like Button. Drop it in Discord, Rogue. I'll play it right now. You want to hear it? Missed it. Sorry wasn't here. Still crying about it. We still here. I was not still there. Me. Wasn't here. Okay, cool. I think it's my new favorite song that I've written. First, we're gonna play Rogue's new song. As soon as he drops it in the song submission channel, we're gonna play Rogue's new song. As soon as it pops in, I got it up. Rogue wrote a new song. Hit that motherfucking like button. We'll play it. We'll play it first because we still got to get to 300 and we haven't got to 300 yet. Man, this thing. Oh, God, I almost clicked the sell button right there. Drop it in, Rogue. I'm waiting. What's up? You got a question? What's your question, Ahmad? Ahmed? Hussein? What's your question? Just ask. I'm gonna try and chase this a little bit. This is probably not a great idea, honestly, right here to chase. I just think this thing wants to melt here. Fact Fuel, Matt's not here. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the Night Shift. And I'll give out a keyword and you just type it in the chat when we're doing a giveaway, and that's how you enter. Who's Matt? Here we go. All right, Rogue's got a new song. Look at that graphic too. Oh my gosh. That graphic is sick, bro. Look at this. Oh my god, dude, that is fire. Look at that. That is so nice. Hold on. What's happening here? Get rid of that. All right, let's get to the song. Here's Rogue's new song. Gotta turn it up. Yeah, I don't think this is a great short here.
Glass glow when the charts all breathe. Cold blue fire underneath those screens. Whole crew live when the tension cuts. One more spark and the whole thing erupts. We came for the motion, the maps, the feel for the setup sharp and the edges real for the late night vibe. When the noise turns sudden, if you feel that way, better hit the like button. Hands up high when the beat goes dark. Static in the chest for electricity sparks. No half step, no frontin'. If you're riding this vibe, hit the like button. Hit the like button.
This was a horrible entry. Absolutely horrible entry. This is a sick song, dude. And look, it got us to 300. I wanted to take a short off of the Asia Open.
In the corner of the screen, crowd move mean, but the rhythms stay clean. One click, one signal, let the whole room know you're alive in a night.
Oh yeah, let me go back. What was your question? Can you answer my question, please? Sorry. Let me scroll back. You received your first payout from the Lucid Flex and they took 50%. However, my buffer adds up to 1,000. You can take 50% of the total profits you made from Lucid, the Flex accounts. You can withdraw 50%, and they have an 80-20. They have an 80% or 90% split from that. So whatever you requested, they take you get 90, and they get 10%, and then the rest of your account is still there. So I don't know if that answers your question or not. If you made, let's say you made $2,000 and you requested $1,000, then what's left in your account is $1,000 because you can only take out 50% of whatever profits you've made. That's a great song, Rogue. Thanks for putting that in there, dude. That's sick. You can go to the FAQ on Lucid and hit up their support. They've got a really good support over there too, if you have a question about it. That was the entry I wanted right there. 10 points higher. That's the entry I wanted right there. And I just was impatient and did not display patience and exercise patience. And it may cost me. It may cost me. DD is it on for NQ is way down at 567 and at 24,075. There we go. Horrible entry on this. Should have been 10 points higher. Basically, I'm looking for the bottom of Trump's tweet. Where that news candle came out, that's where I'm looking to finish that off, that move off. I mean, it may be green, it may turn around here. I should have waited. I even said I wanted a retest of the Asia Open, and I just got impatient and tried to chase. So this is the volatility that you get, man. This is the volatility you get in these crazy markets. Just this whippy action all over the place. You just get this whippy action. I like 15-minute candle, body closure underneath those old wicks. See if we can get some follow through here. This is an aggressive sell-off. I definitely feel late to the party on this. Obviously, I was in up here. I was just targeting VWAP, but that sell down to that Asia Open, that would have been a primo play. I'm going to stick to my guns here and try to see if we can get the Trump news out of the way. Just retrace that entire Trump move right there. $800 is going to be a key level for sure. Big round number. Oh, Matt just posted, hold on, let me go grab it. Matt just posted his updated P&L. Hold on. There you go. 3-month update, 577K P&L, real account, 100K start. It's kind of hard to see because it's blurry. I screenshotted it really small, but go look at his X account. You can see his numbers. The withdrawals, the profits, the losses, the whole shebang. Go look at his X account. Yeah, this thing feels really heavy, doesn't it? Like, it doesn't feel like the buyers have any momentum forward here. Setting up for another drop. At least I hope it is. He's up 10 years worth of your day job salary. Yeah, that's insane, man. It's just a whole different level of trading game. You know, like it's just a whole different level. I hate this chop. Chop, 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 chop. There we go. Come on. Come on, push it through. Stop playing around. There's no other reason to go back up there. All of the liquidity is underneath you. Let's see, settlement. Settlement is around 785-ish, somewhere in there. I hate this slow grind, man. It's melting lower, but it's just like getting these little pops back up and then melt back lower, pop back up, melt lower. I feel like I'm going back and forth because I didn't get my good entry. I feel like taking some profit here and then just wait for another pop back up to the Asia Open and get the entry that I wanted. Armando Rodriguez settlement is the price that at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. is the settlement price that the CME uses for the day for the market lows. The market continues to trade for another hour before it actually closes, but they use the 4 p.m. price somewhere around there. That's when they calculate what the settlement price is. So I hate sitting in trades like this. I want trades like this. The ones where you get in and it just moves within like 5 or 10 minutes, you're in and out. I hate trades like this. It's so annoying. I got in over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. We're 18 minutes into this, and that's just annoying the crap out of me. Just drop. Hey, ugh. Man, the whippy freaking action is set. I feel like it's setting up for a retrace. I'm going to close that out, and I might just be chickening out here, but I'm going to wait and see if I can get another retrace back up to the Asia Open. And then, like, This is an aggressive sell. I think I want to get a little bit of a retrace back up. I think that's what I want to do. Just wait for the entry that I should have taken the first time. Put an extra $30 on the ticket, you know, for the night. That's fine. Never win broke taking profits. Well, unless when you let your losers run, they just run forever. Oh yeah, where's the music? Sorry, man. That's the only reason people show up here is just to they just show up to listen to the music, man. My new song. Let me play my new song. This is perhaps I think this is perhaps my new favorite song that I've made and written. I wrote 80%. I probably write on average. I probably write 60 to 70% of all the lyrics for all the songs that you guys hear. AI kind of helps flesh out the rest of it. This song I wrote about 85% of the lyrics, and it's called "I'm Still Here," and it's just a song that is a great reminder to traders who are struggling. It's a great reminder when you've blown up accounts. It's a great reminder when people in your life are wondering why you're still trying to do this. This song is just what we need to tell ourselves.
Yeah. You ever sit there? Know exactly why it happened. Still do it anyway. Yeah. Blew it again, I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. Next day woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me. Every time I broke my rules, every time I knew better and didn't do better, that was me. But I didn't leave. They said you done. They said you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. I'm still here. After all that noise, after all
that hits me in the feels every time, man. That just hits me in the feels every time. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just in a spot mentally where it's like, you know, I've been there so many. I can remember so clearly all of those times when you're pushing so hard and you still are making the same mistakes that you used to make, that you still just can't get over some of the discipline hump, some of the psychology hump, jumping from strategy to strategy. You see other people getting successful. You see other people like just killing it at this game, and you're like, what's going on with me? You have people in your life going, how long are you going to keep trying this? How long are you going to keep failing at this? How long? And it's that mantra that we have to preach to ourselves. I'm still here, baby. I show up. I'm not giving up. I ain't quitting. I'm still here. And yeah, dude, I don't know. If I'm gonna write a song, I want to write more songs like that. Songs that like help people and remind you that just keeping at it is keep at it, man. Keep at it. Don't give up. Welcome to one of the greatest trading communities on the planet. If you're new here, don't give up. Jump in, learn, ask questions, take the boot camp. All right, guys, we got to 320 likes. Thank you so much for smashing that like button and getting us over the 300 like. We're going to do another giveaway. Next giveaway is a $200 credit to the futures desk. $200 credit to the futures desk. It's a really great account. You can go in and choose a static account, end of day drawdown. Every one of their plans is customizable. So you can go in and customize the plan to be what you want, and you're going to get $200 to play with and build that out. So type in the keyword CTFO. Chill the F out, world. CTFO. Let's get it going in chat. Type it up. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to get the keyword in there if you want to get into the drawing for a $200 credit to the futures desk. Type it in, CTFO. Because we're tired of this damn war. New hour just rolled over. I wonder. Man, I was listening to my song and I didn't get my Asia Open retest. I didn't get my Asia Open retest. Uh-oh. Hey! Look who's here. What's up? It's a party. Let's go. Come on in. Let's get it in. Let's get it in. We got the birthday girl in the house. Just got back from Hot Pilates. We got Piggy in the house. Y'all say hi, chat.
Hello. Hi.
They're all doing they're typing in their giveaway right now, so they're not gonna talk to you probably.
Look.
What?
We have
What's
birthday
that?
confetti.
We have confetti?
We have confetti everywhere.
It was all over.
Oh, I see it, the little silver stars.
Yeah.
You should have
Nice.
seen it.
It was everywhere in the room.
Everywhere.
Everyone brought mom balloons and
I had
presents.
so much stuff in my
Did you
car.
really?
Yeah.
That's
I
awesome.
was crying. I
Aw.
was like so overwhelmed.
Way to go, babe.
I know.
That's so cool. Well, I'm glad it was good. That's a great birthday present.
Yeah.
And I got the fan. You're probably freezing.
I'm already soaking wet.
Oh, I'm so glad you came by though. I know chat is. Yeah,
You're gonna figure out.
they are smelling pretty sweaty. It smelled great in here until about 20 seconds ago.
I smell my car right now.
I don't want to smell. It's pretty ripe. Oh my god. Go. Okay. Go. Get no.
Bye.
Well, you can either sit in here and talk to them, or I gotta go. But one of us has gotta go. Oh, go take a shower. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. That is so freaking hilarious. All right. I'm kind of at a decision point here where I'm not really sure if I still want to try to short this or wait for a higher high to short from. Garlic and onions. All right, how much time we got? We got one more minute. CTFO, if you want to be in the drawing for a $200 credit to the futures desk, type in CTFO. We're just putting out in the war vibes. Chill the F out, please. Can we all just chill the F out? This is the keyword. CTFO. CTFO. Chill the F out. You got 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I'm going to get the wheel up here. Let me get rid of all these names. 20 seconds. 17, 16, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All right. All right, it's done. It's done. It's done. You can stop typing. I got all the names. No more names are coming in. You either got in or you didn't. That's it. No more typing. All right. CTFO, we're giving away a $200 credit to the futures desk. Let me shuffle it up here. Let's go. Good luck. I'm spinning the wheel. The winner, $200 credit to the futures desk. Oh! Rigged. What's up, Kyle? Let's go, baby. Rigged. Congrats, Kyle. Kyle's the winner. Let's go, baby. You know how to claim your prize. Congrats. It wasn't rigged. You saw it all happen live right in front of your face. There was no funny business going on. All right. All right, what are we at? We're at 344, guys. 400 likes does two things. Number one, 400 likes keeps our current 400 like streak going. That's number one. Number two, even more important, is we're going to give away, we've already had 8 boot camps donated. If we get to 400, I add 4 to that. So we have 12 boot camps to give away tonight if we get to 400 likes. So if you would like to have a chance to take part for free in some of the best trading education on the planet, I can't recommend a better trading plan, a trading course to take than the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. It is the very education that took me from being basically break even to maybe slightly profitable to basically profitable. Like I am making more money than I'm putting in right now. And the most money that I've made in the last 5 years of trading overall. And I know that there's a ton of people that the reason we keep giving away boot camps is because other traders have taken the boot camp, they've seen the results that it's given to them, and they donate boot camps to complete strangers so that they can have the opportunity to take it as well. Now, it's only $20, so it's not like it's a life-changing amount of money to take the boot camp. It's worth 100 times that. There's people out there selling trendline courses for $5,000, $6,000 right now. We don't want to break the bank for you to learn how to trade well. So it's $20. If you don't win one of these accounts, you can pay $20. You can go in and take the boot camp. It's $1 a day. There's 20 lessons in there. And there's even a couple bonus lessons about prop firms and mastering payouts and all that kind of stuff as well. But, man, I can't think of a better way to spend $20. If you're struggling as a trader, or even if you're maybe profitable right now and you're just looking for some more edge, this is a fast track to edge. It really is. Not only do you get access to the platform, but you get access to the Discord and the community. There's no other trading community like this that exists anywhere, on any other stream, on any other Discord. It's the most generous community I've ever been a part of. It's smart traders, like smart traders. We're not just degens. We're not gamblers. We are traders who are trying to perfect our craft and use the prop firm world and the prop firm model to eventually fund our own accounts to where we're making 88K a day, like Matt did today. So we're gonna give away at least 12 boot camps if we get 45 more likes going. So we need to get to 400, keep our streak going, and we'll bust out 12 more boot camps. I'm not in a trade right now. If I was in a trade, you would see it on the screen right in front of you. You would see it live in front of your eyes. When I push a button, you'll know. It'll show up. CTFO, people are asking what is CTFO? Chill the F out. And it has just everything to do with the war. We're tired of the wars. We're tired of people bombing each other and shooting missiles at each other and dropping drones on each other. Like, we just need to chill the F out. If I was gonna short again, maybe somewhere around VWAP, maybe somewhere up in and around this area in here. That might be the next opportunity to short from. It could just jump back into this range. It could just jump back into this choppy range and sit there the rest of the night too. So I'm not too excited about wanting to take a short anymore. If it gets back up into this range and just settles down without any movement, a sharp movement down, then I'd probably be happy just chilling for the rest of the night. Happy to, get my funded account back above break even there. Kyle says Matt's song is in the Discord. You're happy with it, but would love feedback. Well, let's take a look. I'm always happy to listen, especially to new tunes. I love listening to the songs you guys write. Big dog like pickle. Oh, that's great. That's great. Big dog like pickle. Let's listen to it.
Alarm in the morning, mattress stains on my P&L report. Same desk, new war. Over 15 years in the same old sport. Screens glow green, neighbors wish they lived my dream.
Solo trader. That's awesome. I love that. We may not be the community for you. That's a great line.
They want a shortcut, screenshot glory. I got scars for every line in this story. Real sweat, late rent, close to broke. Now it's steak on the grill. Your phone is still living the same old joke.
This is a toe tapper, man. I like it. It's just got good energy, good vibes. Nice. Nice job, Kyle. That's a great song. I don't really have much feedback, man. I mean, good hook. The hook is... I always listen to the hooks the most. I just want to make sure that it's good, strong hook. But that's a great tune, dude. I'm sure Matt will love it. What's up? It's Burns Trades. How you doing, man? Welcome in.
I'm accidentally rich again.
You went and saw Project Hail Mary with your daughter. Did you like that show? I've heard mixed results on Project. I love the book. So Andy Weir is one of my favorite authors. He wrote The Martian. Project Hail Mary. The book is fantastic. I'm interested to know what if the movie was good. Trump's tweet at the end of the day today was Project Hail Mary. He was going for it, wasn't he, Dan? He was trying to save the market as hard as he could. He was trying as hard as he could. So right at the end of the market today, right after, like at 411, Trump tweets out, they're going to take a 10-day pause on striking Iranian energy plants at the request of the Iranian government. They agreed. Trump says he agreed to push pause on hitting energy plants for 10 days until April 6th at the request of the Iranian government. An hour and a half later, the Iranian government came out and said, no, I'm sorry, the mediators that are going between Iran and the United States said the Iranian government never requested this. So, yeah. The market obviously just sold off. It had sold off all day. It sold off through MOC, sold off after MOC, rallied just a little bit. This is where the market sentiment is right here. That level. That's where the market sentiment ended today. So currently we're trading above market sentiment before the news tweet. And we popped up. I took a sell off up here. Had a little win. Had another small win down here off of near the Asia Open. Closed it out, thank God. And now I'm looking to see if this thing wants to pump higher here. I'm still looking for another opportunity to short. We're getting back into the middle of this, all of this range right here. This whole range is, if we just sit in here for the rest of the Asia session, that wouldn't surprise me. There's no reason for the market to rally hard from this level. Taiwan stocks decline more than 2% right now. This VWAP might be a good short opportunity, but we're right back kind of into the middle of the range overall. I hate playing from the middle. I hate playing from the middle. I would rather play back to the middle than away from the middle. It's just a coin flip when you're in the middle. I'm bearish overall, so again, may not be if you're looking to short, this probably, if you're looking from a retrace from the high to the low, it's about 50% of that retrace right off of VWAP. It could be. I just don't have any confidence in it. I think I would rather see what I wanted originally. Another close back below the Asia Open, retest and go. That's probably what I'll wait for. Guys, we need 40 more likes and we'll give away 12 Rocket Scooter boot camps. We'll get up to 400 likes. We need 40 more. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the stream every single night. T for keeps. Thanks for coming, man. Have a great night. Thanks for being here. Dude, the $200 credit plus the 75% off, that's insane. Big win for you, bro. Way to go. Yeah, the spike. Oh, take your fam to see the movie. You thought it was pretty good. Worth checking out. Okay, cool. So I'm a big like sci-fi fantasy reader. I love sci-fi fantasy books and series. And I love both of Andy Weir's books. The Martian and Project Hail Mary were really good. But I've had some of my other friends go and see it, and they were like, book's better. Of course the book's better. I mean, there's only so much you can do in like a 2-hour movie that you don't get in a book that's got, 10 hours of movie material probably, or 12 hours of movie material. You got to cut some good stuff out. Oh yeah, you read a summary of the book? I highly recommend the book. Yeah, the audio book. Oh yeah, that's all I do. When I say I read books, I listen to them. I am an audio guy. Like I can sit and read, but I like listening to books. I'll go on a walk, take the dog for a walk, or work out while I'm driving, whatever. I've always got a podcast or a book I'm listening to. But yeah, that audiobook is fantastic. Leo Keenan said, just passed my first eval after 3 weeks of learning to trade. Wow, bro. You started trading 3 weeks ago? You've never traded until 3 weeks ago and you just passed your first eval? That's incredible, man. Congrats, dude. I mean, the trading journey is, this is a hard business. Top Step 50K, way to go, bud. Way to go. That reminds me, guys, if you haven't heard, we're in the middle of our closed beta testing of the new prop scoring website that is coming out. If you're part of the Rocket Scooter community, if you're in the Discord and pay for the platform, or you have access to the boot camp, then you also can get access to the beta release of the prop scoring website that is basically think of it as like an auditing firm that gives a mathematical score to every prop firm and every account that the prop firms have. So as a trader, especially new traders that are coming into the industry, and you're trying to figure out what firms should I work with, what accounts from those firms should I be working with, this website's going to be one of the best tools, and it's going to be free. It's going to be one of the best tools for you to have, because you're going to be able to look and compare your trading You're going to be able to compare your trading stats with, and then the mathematical model will be able to look at how you trade, and it will recommend the best accounts and firms to go with. And it talks about return on investment, days in market, price per time in market, the drawdown per amount that you have. The only subjective part of the whole scoring model is the review section, where people can leave reviews for different firms. Everything else is just information put in, math spits out a score. So you don't have to worry about marketing, you don't have to worry about influencers, you don't have to worry about any of that. You just can look at it, you can compare, and then you can press the button, go buy the account that fits best for you. So it's going to be really cool. Leo Keenan, man, stick around. Welcome to the Rocket Scooter family, man. You need to come watch Matt's stream in the morning. He streams every morning. He goes on about 8:30, 8:45 Eastern, right before the market opens. Streams all morning through the New York session. He's doing a $100K to $1 million live cash account challenge. Neon streams in the afternoon from about 1:30 Eastern all the way to market close. And then I'm here every single day from 7 Eastern until about 10:30 Eastern. So, best trading community out there. Can't wipe the smile off your face. I remember the first time I passed an eval after blowing up many. It is a great feeling. And then you realize, oh my God, I feel this whole new weight. I feel this whole new pressure now that I'm funded, sim funded. I have this whole new pressure on me. And take it easy, take it slow, take a breath. Trade exactly whatever strategy that you're using. Don't change anything because it's funded. In fact, one of the things that really helped me is after I got funded, I didn't touch the funded account. I went and bought another eval so that I tried to pass and tried to get another funded account so that there wasn't all of this pressure on me to just have one funded account. Like I put all my eggs in this one basket to have one funded account. 33 more likes, guys. Come on, we got to get those likes up. We're almost to 400. Smash that like button for me. Smash that like button. Let's get it up to 400. We got to keep the streak going. And as soon as we get there, we will give away 12 Rocket Scooter boot camps to the community. Hey, Bourbon, you're still here, baby. You're still here. Don't forget that. Yeah, the more funded accounts you can get, it just helps your psychology. When you just have one funded account and you're just trying to nurse one funded account at a time, you're just putting too much pressure on yourself to try to get that payout. At least it was like that for me in the beginning. It's not like that so much for me anymore. But that's right, baby, not quitting. You only lose, you can only fail if you give up. You're still here, baby. You're still here. Let's go, 19 more likes. Come on, guys. We're so close. You're doing great. Keep smashing that like button. Let's get over 400. We're right there. I mean, I kind of... ES pushing above VWAP. NQ trying to push above VWAP. I think I'm just gonna chill. If we get it, if this thing melts up back over here in the next 30 minutes or so, I would look for another short.
Storm, rocket scooter about to launch. 4 more tears deep, my patience getting warm. Screaming inside while the endless delay. Grip slipping.
Guys, this business is hard. Trading is hard. It is not easy. You're not just trying to master a strategy. You're not just trying to master a specific plan. You're also trying to master yourself, which is probably honestly more difficult than learning how to trade. Mastering yourself, overcoming your own limiting beliefs and the things that hold you back, that's probably harder than actually just learning how to trade. It's not easy. And then you get into markets like this where the volatility, I mean, you get in when VIX is at near all-time highs. Well, not near all-time highs, but it's freaking high. VIX is at 2743. Like that's a huge volatility. Huge volatility. It's hard to trade in environments like this. It really is, and be consistently profitable with it all. So just hang in there. Don't beat yourself up. We've all been there, man. Every single one of us has been there. We'll all be there again. I mean, it doesn't just end. I'll be there again. I'm gonna get on a stream maybe Sunday night or Monday night or in the middle of the week next week, and I'll just be like, I effed it up this week, man. I'm back at it. I went on revenge. I tilt, oversized. Why did I do that? We try to, you know, and this community is all about helping each other. This community is all about like, hey, I got your back, man. Let's hold each other accountable. Let's do what we know we're supposed to do. Let's operate the machine correctly so that we get our brick at the end of the day to build our wall with. RP, I don't trade gold or silver. We can look at the chart if you want to. I trade ES and NQ on the micros on these prop firms that we're doing right here. Despair, yeah. Let's go, guys. 11 more likes to get to 400. Come on, 11 more. We're so close. Leo Keenan says, I'm 1,000% coming back to the stream. Great community, great people. Thanks for the kind words, guys. Means a lot. Heading off as it's 1:30 in the UK. Got to be awake for London Open. Thank you for stopping in, Leo. Check out Matt's stream in the morning. It'll be right around your lunchtime, so welcome to the fam. Hitch says being good at trading is fighting your human nature. It's why 95% fell. Yeah. They see guys like Matt make 88K in one day and they're like, oh my God, I can do this. If that dude can make 88K, why can't I? And to some extent, yeah, if there's one person that can do it, that means someone else can do it too. Does that mean everyone can do it? No. Because not everyone has the maturity, the IQ, the mental ability, the psychological ability to be able to sustain that kind of performance over time. Somebody can get lucky and they can get a big payout, or they can get a one big, 5 or 6 figure day. But that's just pure luck. That's not necessarily being a skilled trader. Skilled traders have edge in the market. They're patient, they wait, and they strike when their edge is there, and they let the statistics play out. 3 more likes! Oh my God, we're gonna get there. 3 more likes, let's go, baby! We're gonna get to 400 again. Don't give up. You're still here, I'm still here. We're all still here, baby. We ain't giving up. We ain't quitting. Dumb money, yeah, we took some trades tonight, man. I've taken 2 trades tonight. I took one on NQ right up here around 23,890. And then I took another one off of the Asia retest and basically took a break-even trade on that. And now I'm waiting to see if we can get a run back up into these highs to short from again. 410, let's freaking go. Let's go, y'all. Kevin! What's up, Phrase? Where you been, buddy? Missed you. Kevin dropping in another boot camp. So now that's 12 donated boot camps, and I'm gonna add 4 to it. So that's 16 boot camps to give away. 16 boot camps to give away. That's awesome. I keep telling y'all, this is one of the best trading communities out there. There is not another community that shows up to support other traders like this community does. Just doesn't happen, man. You're at a basketball game? Was it one of your kids, or was it like a pro game?
Stats over stats, process over hype. One clean trade, we ride it all night.
Fraser, you won on MFFU today too? That's sweet.
We never chase that. No luck in the system, just discipline.
All right. Because we're doing boot camps, we're gonna change the keyword.
Stats over stats.
We're gonna change the keyword to boot camp. All right. If you would like to be in the drawing for one of 16 Rocket Scooter boot camps, type in the word boot camp, and we'll do that giveaway in just a couple minutes. Semi-pro here in Canada. Nice. 16 boot camps, guys. If you would like to win one of the 16 boot camps, type in the word boot camp right now. I'll give you a couple minutes to type it in, and then we'll use ChatGPT to help us pick the winners. SimD, you're still here, baby. Just keep showing up. Don't quit. We've all been there, man. You got re-rolled because you didn't say anything? That sucks. I don't like the rapid accounts that they have. I don't like any account that has intraday trailing drawdown. And the rapid, once you move to funded, it goes to intraday. I think this is my hot take. Here's my hot take on the prop firms. I think it should be the standard. The standard should be whatever the rules are on your eval should be exactly the same rules on the funded account. It shouldn't change because they're testing you. They're testing you in the eval. And then you have these set of rules to work with in the evaluation, and you stay within those, and then they change them when you get to the freaking funded account. I think that's bullshit, man. I think it should be standard practice. Whatever it is on your eval, it should be on the funded freaking account. Stop changing the rules between eval and funded. If you want to give us those rules on the funded, then make them the same damn rules on the eval. Stop jerking our chains around and making us have to readjust strategies and everything because you changed the rules from the test to the funded account. Same account, whatever you do on the eval, now you're funded, do it again. I know, that's because prop firms are not your friends. I know, TPT's the same, Dan. I agree, it's the same crap, dude. Stop changing the rules between eval and funded. You gave us this test to see if we could trade, to manage risk, keep the same rules if we pass the test. If I could go on some war rampage, that's what I would do to the prop firm industry right now. If you pass the eval, you have the exact same environment on your funded account. I cannot stand accounts with trailing drawdown. The intraday unrealized trailing drawdown is the biggest scam in the prop firm world. No, there is no live trading that ever has unrealized intraday trailing drawdown. Not one. It is completely set up for the trader to fail. I'm not gonna say never. I am probably very unlikely to ever trade an account with intraday trailing drawdown. Yeah, there's so motivational daily, there's accounts that have static drawdown, but you got to be careful with those because they just don't give you very much drawdown to work with. Probably the best like compromise is end of the day drawdown, which means your drawdown won't move all day long. So if you're in a trade, if your drawdown's here and your starting balance is here and you trade and you make a profit on your first trade, during the day, your drawdown is still static. And at the end of the day, once everything is calculated, the drawdown moves up to your current balance. The next day, if you make another profit, at the end of the day, your drawdown moves up. And then once it reaches your initial balance that you started with, then it becomes static and it doesn't keep following you. It stays there. That's the way most of them work. Not all of them, but that's the way most of them work. And that's probably, to me, the best compromise. Intraday trailing drawdown means if your starting balance is here and your drawdown is here and you get into a trade and your trade goes green, your drawdown moves up while you're in a trade. So if you come all the way up here and then you come back to break even, you lost all of that drawdown because you didn't take profit and you didn't lose any money. You didn't lose the trade, but you lost all that drawdown. It's crap, man. If I win a intraday account, I'll definitely try to trade it. They're just so difficult to pass. I understand the math on the scoring website has them ranked high, and I understand the math behind it. I'm just telling you, as a trader, they're bad accounts. They're set, the difficulty to me, for me personally, and I'm not saying that the prop score website is bad. I'm saying for me personally, I want to give myself the best opportunity to get to the payout. So the simplicity is more important to me than the difficulty to pass is more important to me than the return on investment. Because if I can get an account that has a lower difficulty to pass, but I can get to the return, I can get to the payout easier and more frequently than on an account that has a much higher difficulty. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. I don't know if it makes sense to other people, but it's like if there's, so think of it like this, like if you're running a race and there's a finish, there's the finish line is equal distance away, but the path to get there is this path is basically maybe one little curve to get there, but this path is like a curve and a hill and an obstacle and another curve, and then it's the finish line. It's much more difficult to get to the finish line. This one, if I win this race, I'm gonna get a smaller win, but I can get that win way more frequently because it's easier to pass. This one might have a better return on investment. I'm gonna make more money overall. It has a better opportunity to have a return on investment for the price I'm paying, but the difficulty is such that I'm probably not gonna get there as often. So I would rather have a simpler path and an easier path to the payout, and maybe not have as big of a return on investment. That's more important to me. That's more important to me. Dawadaz, if you're I think on any prop firm, if you're available for a payout and you request a payout, most prop firms immediately move your drawdown to $100 above your initial balance. I think Lucid does that. I think My Funded Futures does that. I think most of them, as soon as you request a drawdown, wherever your drawdown is at, it immediately becomes initial balance plus $100. So you got to be careful and understand if you don't have a big enough buffer and you want to keep trading that, if you want to keep trading that account after you take a withdrawal, then building a bigger buffer may be in your best interest, so that when you take a drawdown, you still have a big buffer to work with to try to get to a second payout. Some people, that doesn't matter to them. They're like, hey, I'm going to get a payout. I'm going to take whatever money I have available when the payout is ready. And if it blows the account, it's okay. I just got a big payout. I can reinvest some of those profits into some more evals. Yeah, St. M's, but that's the thing. Like, it's simple. I understand why people like them. It's because you can get a big payout. TPT, a great firm, and obviously you can make a lot of money with them. But it's set up to gamble. Like, it's legit set up. It's not set up to be disciplined trading, like micro base hits till you get past that buffer. Most people do what you're saying, Saint. They just wait until it's at one perfect, they think this is the perfect pivot. They full port max contracts, and they hope they get an immediate reaction to clear the buffer and close it out, and hope that it doesn't get close to the buffer and then come back with this volatility and wipe out the account. You're just one shot and YOLOing it, trying to clear the buffer. That's not, to me, that's not like good trading. That's not like an edge to demonstrate I can make a profit. That's the prop firm setting you up to make it harder to make money. And I just don't like it. If you're gonna put me in an eval and make me trade for 5 days with this specific rule set, and then I do all of that, and then you put me into a funded account, and now we're just gonna change all the rules on you, I hate that. Yep, it's just the roulette table, baby. All right. Not sure why nothing else happening there. This is just a little drop back under VWAP. Still in the middle of this range. I don't want to play from the middle of the range. I'm not a middle of the range guy. I want to play from the edges, and specifically I want to play from the top of the range for me tonight. So until we get back up here, I'm just going to chill. Top to bottom wick tickler. Yep. I am liquidity. You passed both 25K accounts. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Tommy Ledick says, I did that with Apex on Red Folder News, full ported, made 7K, and account was blown due to trailing drawdown. See? It happens, man. It's set up to blow you out on any trade that's in profit. You're just set up like you're just waiting. You're waiting for a candle like this right here. You're waiting for a candle like this right here, where it opens and just drops, and you full ported from here, and you closed out at the very low, and you got your buffer, and now it becomes a static account. That's what you're hoping for. But how many of these do you get? What if you're in here? What if you got in right here and you got in and you're in profit? Nope. That drawdown just got eaten up. Oh, nope. Oh, drawdown got eaten up. Like, to be that accurate is extremely difficult. It's luck. Let's just say it. It's luck to be that accurate. If NQ pulls back to the midline and continues down, you're not interested. If it does what I said before, if it gets a strong close, for me, maybe a really big candle down under VWAP, aggressive, test VWAP and go, or a big close below Asia, test Asia and go. That's from this point, that's what I'll be looking for. Otherwise, I want to see it come up, get back up here, and let me short from up here again. I don't want to short from the current position. It's just trapped right in the middle of all this slop. I have no desire to get into a trade and just watch paint dry and be pissed off the whole time. Yeah, that's what I mean when I say the prop firms are not your friends. They act like they're your friends. It's like a casino, man. The casinos are like, look how beautiful this place is. Come in, play our games. We love you. Here, have a free drink. Here, have a massage. Oh, you won. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna give you a free hotel room so you'll come back tomorrow morning. They're not your friends. The prop firms are not your friends. I'm sure they're very nice people in real life, but as a business, you're the mark. We are all the mark. And they have engineered the game so that only a very, very small percentage of people will be successful trading prop firms. Oh, here we go. Is Lucas still here? This is his jam.
Lights low, world goes quiet. Different clocks,
What's up, Mark?
perfect timing. No noise, just decision. Feel the flow, no resistance. In the
All right. Oh, I forgot about the boot camp. People stop typing boot camp. I did it again. If you're interested in any of the music that's being played tonight, you can get it off of my Suno playlist. This is called Edge Never Sleeps. I forgot about the boot camp. I know people typed it in and they probably left. There's 35 people. Type in boot camp just to be sure you're in there. If you want to be part of the boot camp drawing, we're going to give away 16 boot camps now that I got off my soapbox. Yeah, for sure, man. Thank you for being here. Turn that down a little bit. All right, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. All right, I'm gonna grab all the names. All right, we got 44 names. Well, 43 because we're gonna take that one out. Please choose 16 names at random from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp, and give me a cool script to announce the winners, please.
Just the plan.
Here we go. All right, spinning the wheel in the back room, lights flickering, charts whispering, and we got 16 fresh winners stepping into the boot camp. Your winners are Dean Smith, Sergey Palikev, Nick Deagle, Edge Arbiter, Ranoshka, Marzina, Dustin G, RP, Telltale, Seth Nepstad, Lord Blood Raven, Kaisar Abbas, Moses Hanla, Pleasant Villain, and Austin Trial. All right. Those are the winners. If you heard your name called, then you won a 1-month access to the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go into the Discord, which you can find a link for the Discord in our description of this video below. You're gonna go into the contest channel and find our admin named Slacks, and you're gonna send him a message, let him know that you won a boot camp on Brad's stream tonight. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID and he'll hook you up with your free boot camp. I really hope you enjoy it. I know so many people, it has changed so much of the way they trade, and it has helped them so much, and I'm fairly confident it will help you guys as well. So congrats. Those were some tough names. Those were some tough names. Oh man, I'm out of water. I'm out of water. Oh, the Prop Cop song. All right, guys, how was the Asia session for you guys tonight? You green? Were you red? Anybody take any of the trades with me tonight? Oh yeah, 7 to 10. I have it downloaded.
To the payout desk, why these traders still stuck on request? 5 payouts cap, that's kinda wild. We see that clause, yeah, it's compiled. Max size 3, okay, that's fine.
0 trades, green my friend. Thanks, green my friend. Flat. Short boots and badges on, baby. Oh no, I didn't listen to the alternative one yet, Fraser. We'll listen to that one and we'll listen to 7 to 10 again. Up 215 on the drop, 2 micros. Good job, Gary. Good job. Sergey, you're going to go into the Discord and you're going to go to the contest channel and message our admin named Slacks. Down 600 tonight. Oh, man. Dang it. Jay Black was green in the first 30 of open, enjoyed your show and didn't take any trades with you. Well, that's cool, man. I'm glad you stuck around and watched anyway. Yeah, the Lucid upgrade, the instant upgrade on Lucid is fantastic. When you pass an account, instant upgrade. You pass, you go in, usually within 5 minutes, it's refreshed. You click upgrade, funded account. My Funded Futures, they now offer instant upgrades as well. You've been watching gold? Cool. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. All right, let me Oh, when this song is over, I'll play Fraser's alternate version, and then I'll play 7 to 10. Sweet, sweet. I got you. Yeah, I see it. It's the last stream of the week. Y'all cool if I stay on for a little bit? Another 30 minutes? Y'all got 30 more minutes in you? Or is everybody tuckered out, tired out? Let's get Fraser's song. Here we go. This is the tick by tick alternate version. I gotta turn up my computer. I may have to mute my mic. We'll see. I like the intro better already. Seven accounts across 2 platforms, 2 funded, 5 green. Let's go, baby. That's awesome. We can hang out longer. I'm down.
Screen lights glow in the dead of night. Charts don't care if you're wrong or right. Every candle tells a different lie, and every trade feels do or die. Heart beats faster with every click. Green turns red just as quick. You chase the move, it slips away. Another lesson you have to pay.
Woo, dude, this is way better. Dude, this is way better, Fraser. This is the jam. Yeah, this is the one right here. Oh yeah, dude. This is sick. The production is so much better. The creativity, the variation in the song is so much better. The melody's better. Oil tank? Did oil just tank? I see no news. Oil dropped hard though. What's up, Boomer? I would be looking to short up here off of the Sunday open print. Thanks for stopping in to say hey, my friend. Dude, Fraser, this is a great version of this.
Step back, don't chase that trade. The edge you trust is the one you made. Not every move is yours to take. Sometimes the win is the one you don't make. You're not the chart, you're not the PNL. Not every red means you failed as well. Zoom out, reset, survive the day. Consistency is the only way. It's a war in my head, tick by tick. But I'm learning to sit, not react so quick. Let the market move, I'll wait my turn. Every loss is a chance to learn. It's a game of control, I'm starting to hold. No more chasing highs or fearing the cold. In the silence between every trade I pick, I'm building myself. Tick by tick.
The end of that hook is so tight. Dude, yeah, no, that one is so much better than the first one you put up. That's so much better than the first one you put up. Here's 7 to 10 by, here's Kyle, 7 to 10. He wrote this for the night shift. Great groove on this.
Everyone else rushing, Brad just waits. Coffee in a lone stomach, watching those rates. Boots Camp King in a plain white tee, quiet on the camp, runs deep, family man. Baby picks on the desk, promise them to guard their sleep. Served off on the night shift, 7 to 10, blue light glow. Family man quietly learning the game, same charts that we all know. Night shift consistency over ego, he just shows up candle by candle. Boot Camp King with the Texas calm, holding trays that most can't handle.
I'm looking to short, guys. I'm not in a position right now. I'm just waiting for price to reach some higher highs here to short off of. Trying to get up either to the half gap here on ES or just the lower end of this new week opening, the bottom of the new week opening gap here.
Tracks in the evening, beats bouncing out his headphones. Earn when the band's on the screen like rails, wrist tight, heart steady and slow.
Somewhere around 895 to 900. I'd be happy to try to get in around there, I think. Yeah, the guitar riff is it's a vibe, dude. I like it. Anybody else wants to take their shot at writing some AI music? We have an open public channel on our Discord, a song submission channel. If you want to write a trading song or a night shift song or rocket scooter theme or whatever, drop it in there and we'll listen to it with everybody. And a couple times a year, Matt will do a song submission, a songwriting contest. Those are really fun. Scooty scoot patoot. Great tune. Great tune. I want to listen to my former favorite song. Still really good. I still love this song, but I think I'm Still Here is my favorite one right now. See you, Boom. Have a great night, man. We just made a new yearly low yesterday. I know, isn't that crazy? Well, NQ did. ES didn't. ES still has some room to go.
That shit a green on the screen. The payouts, the wins. DMs blowing up. Teach me, King, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight.
Let's get one more pop up into these highs here. I might take one more stab from up here.
In the fire. Let's rewind. When the door first cracked open, this ain't
nothing. No news coming out.
2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5, leaving dreams behind. Drop 10K straight from the overtime. Evenings Uber driving, weekends gigging just to stay alive. Ramming for dinner, Red Bull for dessert. 2 steps forward, 3 back, felt the universe flirt with my collapse. Red candles like fresh scars. Kids asleep upstairs, I'm whispering to the stars. Eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. Palm broken, my watch counting every cross. Kids asking that was dinner.
What's up, Em?
But I'm still on the clock, still deep in the mess. Wasn't overnight. 9 years paid the price. Wasn't overnight. Side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight. Rocket scooter lit the flight.
We still here, baby.
It wasn't overnight. Late 24, doom scrolling on lunch in the break room. Stumbled on rocket scooter, mess spitting tactics. YouTube live, no fluff, just raw edge and truth. Breaking down the tape like a surgeon with proof. MHP and EST, let the winners run free. His voice cut the noise.
Yeah, the Tuckin' song has its own category altogether. It 100%, hands down, best song, best AI song I think I've ever touched. It's called Clocking Out, by the way. The title of that song is called Clocking Out. Tried 3,000 sunsets, bled dry, clocking out for good, trying to trade full time alive. The crowd claps for the glow up. How'd you make it so quick? I smiled through the grill, Sundays took every brick. Started at 41, 5-day punch nights and weekends fight. Now I'm 50 and free to trade my life. Wasn't overnight. 9 years paid the price. Neon has my playlist. He plays a lot of my songs. I think he has a playlist from Rogue too that he plays a lot. Like he goes back and forth between mine and Rogue's. Somebody needs to tell him to download my new ones though, because he doesn't have all my. He hasn't been playing the really good ones. From the dark to the dream. It's like comparing a god to humans. These other songs are really great, but that's the god of AI songs. It nailed it, dude. Night shift is the best shift. Hell yeah, it is. I'm telling you, a month from now, I bet we're at or past Matt the morning show. Oh God, I cannot wait. I cannot wait until the day when the night shift has more views than the morning show with Matt. That's gonna be freaking. I'm gonna give him so much shit about that. You love how calm the night shift is. Great chats, cleaner. Yeah, no, there's really not a whole lot of trolls. We've had a few trolls step in. About once or twice a week, we get somebody coming in and they're like, "Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade? Are you ever gonna trade?" We get those a couple times a week. Matt is getting old. He doesn't even know what's in store for him. I got 6 years on that guy. Wait. Wait, you're not Matt? That's hilarious. I am not Matt. I am Brad. How dare you take that $50 loss? Why are you even streaming, bro? Yeah, this is the best lesson in trading, that you don't need to be in a trade all the time. I know, doesn't that sound like Lana? That's exactly what I was going for. Got very close. It does sound like Lana. Very similar. I'll turn it down a little bit. It's a little too loud. So we actually have a fairly large contingent. It sounds like it could be on the Great Gatsby soundtrack. I'd have to go back and watch that movie to figure that out. We actually have a very large amount of our viewers are 40 years and over. I think it's over 50%. I think over 50% of our viewers are 40 years, between 40 and 65. Yeah, on I Am Liquidity, you should be able to see the prompt on any of my songs in the Suno playlist. So you can, like on the Suno playlist, if you click on a song, like if you highlight a song, over on the right-hand panel, it'll tell you, it'll show you the whole prompt. And then there's even a copy feature that you can copy it and put it into your Create, and it has all of the lyrics and everything there. But you should be able to see that on any song that's in the playlist. And you're more than welcome to steal any of my prompts, man. I work hard on them. I work hard on them. What was the YouTube video for It Wasn't Overnight? I haven't done a video for the It Wasn't Overnight. I need to get Neon to build me one. I'm not a big AI video guy, but dude, the one he made for The Room Shows Up, I wrote that song for him, and I was like, hey dude, I think this would be a cool opener. And he was like, oh my God, this is amazing. And then when he used it, he put a video on it, and I had no idea, and I was watching his stream, and I was like, oh my God, that video he made for his opener is so sick. We can build a song on the stream. I'm down. We can do like a chat build. That'd be cool. Dudes with day jobs trading at night. That's what the 40-year-olds are doing, man. We've all reached that point in our life where we're like, I'm not gonna sit at this desk for another 25 years. Or I'm probably gonna have to sit at this desk for another 25 years, and it's not gonna be enough. I need more. I'll put the Suno link in there again if you missed it. There's 65 songs on that list that I've made. I've made more than that, but they're not all rock. I have other songs that I've done in Suno as well that are out there. I did a whole there's a whole lo-fi playlist that I use I play all the time, and when I'm doing something, it's just nice to have one in the background. I need a boot camp giveaway song. I do. We're the king of the boot camp giveaways. I probably should have a boot camp giveaway song. Adventure Rigs, you're at your son's water polo practice. Where are you? You must be like, are you in Japan or something? The Suno link is on your web browser. Nice. Yeah, I'm the music guy. That's my the music guy. That's my handle on Suno. Echo of the Unknown says this has to be the realest channel. Thanks, man. We work hard at not just being good traders, but also just a good hang. I don't think I'm gonna get my pop up to try to get another entrance on this though. That kind of sucks. SoCal? Oh, I guess that's right. SoCal is still 7:15 out there. I'm Liquidity. You could be one of my kids. My oldest daughter's 27. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Just got married? That's sweet. It's her birthday and she got her marriage finalized? That's sweet.
Check it. Yeah. Scooter hums on an opening bell.
Your nickname was the shirtless pasties guy? Number one, you don't want to see me naked. You don't want to see me shirtless. But if I was going to be shirtless, I better have some pasties on. That's hilarious. Oh, that's so funny. Well, of course they have to have tassels. I mean, why would you have pasties without tassels? Oil recovered that full drop there.
Legacy uncapped, no cap in sight. MHP breakout, I scalp the pivot. Pickle in the chat yelling.
You're 47 and this vibe is freaking perfect. Doing some trading myself, brother. That's awesome. Very cool. Vivi says, I just opened a Suno account and followed the music guy. Let's go. The old school Vegas ones are like 8 inches long. The tassels are 8 inches long. I don't know what level to expect. I'm still bearish overall on this market. I'm still looking to sell any pops, but it's just sitting inside of this all this slop. Outside of this and this, we really have just been in the middle of this whole slop right here. Just kind of a classic Asia session, you know, sideways channel. I was hoping we could get one more run up. I would be interested in selling near the half cap on ES, or selling near the top of the range again here on NQ. But we may not get any more like significant volume or movement until the London Open. I would love to see it revisit like 8, 10, but I want to see it from up here. I want to get in from, if I'm wrong, I want to be wrong from a cheap plot, a cheap spot. I don't want to be wrong from the middle, because there's just too much. It's just a coin flip from where price is right now. It's just a coin flip. Price is moving sideways. There's really no volume or volatility in the market at the moment. Eight-inch tassels. Oh my gosh.
Scooter still brand new. Palm tree sweat. Life easy today. Yeah, today's a good day. Today's a good day, me can feel it. Sky so blue, I wanna steal it. The wind in my face worries.
All right, so what do you guys think? Do you think we're gonna make a new low of the week tomorrow? Do you think Friday we take out this low? Or do you think we bounce from here? Do you think Friday bounces from here and closes back up, you know, somewhere around 24,200 maybe? Tomorrow is Friday, Kev. Some of these songs are actual radio hits. Yeah, dude, I love making music, so I hope I'm not gonna put any music out that's not good. If I put a song on this playlist, you can be rest assured that I have spent I probably spent several hours working on the lyrics, and then I probably spent several more hours crafting it inside a Suno, putting it into the they have a studio you can tweak and change things on. I spend a lot of time on these songs.
Today's a good day. Prophet said time
NQ actually making the same pattern as it did yesterday early. Make a high, come back down, make a low, then rip higher, now coming back down. Yeah. It was the exact same thing we did last night. Remember this last night? Boom, jump up, yep. Same thing. It wouldn't surprise me. We don't have a ton of levels. DD band is sitting right underneath these old swing lows over here. I know this is this chart looks crappy, but you can understand. There's price. These are old swing lows. On the continuous, I just don't have the continuous chart up there. So I feel like we could have another big sell-off day Friday. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me at all if we push up. London pushes up into like maybe this dynamic MHP level on NQ. New York opens back down around here somewhere. And then it just boom, boom, boom. That would not shock me at all. And of course, in the middle of that, Trump's going to put out at least 2 tweets as it's crashing to try to rescue it. There is no fundamental reason for this to, there's no fundamental reason in my mind that I can think of for this to find bullish legs and just rip higher. Yeah, Kyle, I pointed that out. I have pointed that out multiple times. The weekly pattern since the war has started, you see gap down, bullish on Monday. No, that's not right. Where is it? Where was it? It was like, where's the first week? This was the first week. Here we go. Okay, week 1. Gap down on Sunday night, big bullish on Monday. Wednesday high of the week, Thursday, Friday sell off. Gap down, big bullish on Monday. Tuesday high of the week, Thursday, Friday sell off. Sunday gap down, big bullish day on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday high of the week, sell off Thursday, Friday. Gap down, bullish on Monday. Of course, we had the Trump news, so that was the high of the week. But Tuesday, roll over on Wednesday, selling off Thursday, Friday. So it has done the same thing all 3 weeks. Gap down, bullish Monday, high Tuesday or Wednesday, sell off Thursday, Friday. Every week so far that the war has been going on. Kind of crazy. NQ back underneath VWAP. ES back underneath VWAP. That was quite the little sell-off here. If we got an aggressive close, if we get a big aggressive close under Asia, I would look for that retest. It just didn't get up high enough for me to want to sell at the top of the range. It got up to like near the bottom of the top of the range, if that makes sense. But not enough for it to entice me to try to short that right there. Yeah, strong markets don't keep making, you're right, Dan. There's no reason for strong markets to make new yearly lows, and we just made a new yearly low on NQ. I think ES could make a new yearly low tomorrow. I think it to take out, well, ES has a lot more room to get down. I mean, it's 60 points. It's still within the daily range, of course. But this 64.83 would be a new yearly low on ES tomorrow. 60 points lower. NQ, it's pretty close. Like, it could do that in one, you know, at the New York session, that's one 5-minute candle. Spencer says, I just made my trade for my 5th trading day for TPT eval. I'll get to start a fresh funded Sunday night. Let's go, Spence. Good job, buddy. Echo the Unknown says, I think shorting my BE might be the play. The market manipulation is massive this time around. I'm definitely leaning towards the short. I want to get in where I want to get in, and there's just no edge for me in the middle of this range.
HP's humming, MHP strong. Bullzone's holding, I'm where I belong. Monthly maps got my heart's keeping time.
Yeah, the Bill Dill, I think you're right. I mean, the last 4 months, it just felt like we were about to roll over from the daily time frame, daily and weekly time frame. We were in that stupid choppy zone for so long. It just felt like things started to want to unwind even before. If you look at the daily chart, if you look at the daily, you can see it start to make, like at the end of January, so we're chopping, right? Start just coiling up. And right at the end of January, we put in a higher high, took out that liquidity from like 3 months of trading. Lower low, lower high, consolidation, double top, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I mean, you could just sense, and this was even before the war started. This right here, that move right there is the one from like the end of January to like the end of the beginning, what was that? Wednesday the 28th down to that low at the beginning of Feb. You were like, hey, wait, this feels like it's gonna sell. And then it could never really find legs back up into the upper part of that range. It just kept selling off. And then the war started, and that was the real catalyst that just started this downward motion here. You look at the weekly time frame, you start thinking 23,558, 22,870 maybe, before you find some kind of decent bottom somewhere in here on the weekly time frame. I'm going to leave that on the chart and see if we get down there over the next couple weeks, just to remind myself that I put that there. We'll see how accurate. Let's see how accurate. I mean, it's very likely we could get there tomorrow. At least the top of that range. This may be the area, somewhere in here may be the area where you find that yearly low that you start to rally off of, you know, summer, August, that kind of time frame. Heading into midterms, here's the thing, you're heading into midterms, you have Trump as your president. What do you think where do you think he wants the market to be when midterm voting starts in November? And where do you think he wants the market to be when campaigning is going on so heavily in June, July, August, September, October? Where do you think he wants the market to be? He wants this war to be over. He wants oil prices down. He wants the market to be rocketing up. So that's why I have a feeling that sometime April, early May, we bottom out. And then we start pumping into the midterms. That's just my theory. That's my theory. Yep. Dan, you're right. I got you. I think you're right. I think you get I think you bottom out somewhere around 22, 23, upper 22s. somewhere in here. Like this, and then you just start doing this. And you're up here by you're up here by the midterms, because that guy is not, he is going to do everything within his power, legally or maybe even shadily, to keep the market at near all-time highs as they head into the midterm. You know he's not going to let this thing just dump heading into the midterm. Powell's going to be leaving in May, right? Powell retires in May. There's a new Fed chair coming in. We already know the kind of pressure he's put on Powell. You got to think there's some conversations being had with whoever he thinks the nominee will be for that. You got to think he's, twisting some arms. Legally or shegally. Shadily. Oh, did he say that on, that was the high when he was like, AI may or may not be a bubble? AI is not a bubble. Y'all, AI is just getting started. It's nowhere near a bubble. AI is the future. AI and robotics is the future. It's not a bubble. It's just at the beginning. It is very much just at the beginning. It's in its infancy. You Sinister Scalper, that's the right way. It's in its infancy. It is nowhere near being in a bubble. It might have some hiccups along the way just because of chip manufacturing, technology trying to keep up with how fast AI can accelerate. But I promise you, it is in its infancy right now. Skynet will be here soon. The Terminator just around the corner. Until it takes us all out. Yeah, how early were they calling the internet a bubble? They were calling the internet a bubble early on too. It's like, oh, the internet bubble, the internet bubble. Diddy-nator. The Diddy-nator.
You taught me patience. Now the path is clear. No more noise. No more running blind.
You wonder how much AI is contributing to the decline in the labor force? Oh, I think it's a bigger than a lot of people want to admit. I mean, you see companies slashing all kinds of jobs that they think that they can replace it with AI. The smart companies, I heard Jensen, the NVIDIA CEO, Jensen, whatever his last name is, Jensen, hard to pronounce name, Jensen Hardward, he was giving an interview and he was like, these people that think they can just replace all of their employees with AI they're missing the boat. What they really should be doing is training their people how to use AI to make their business better, not just replace the employees they have. That's where the real superpower is going to be. The companies that can pivot their workforce to becoming AI managers versus the people being the producers, moving to AI being the producers, but you need people that know that can now manage multiple teams of AI to do even more work. So instead of just cutting your workforce down, like retool the people you have so that they can become the managers and the managers of the AI that can be the producers. What's up, Trey D? You were here and then you were gone and now you're back. Let's go, baby. Bot agents are for? Well, I mean, yes and no. You still have to, bot agents still need a massive amount of oversight. And that's not necessarily going to change, I think, for a little while. You had to do some chores? All right, well, I'm glad you're back, buddy. Got here just in time. How we doing? We're still just chilling. No trades for me for the last hour and a half. Waiting for a higher high to get to try to get into something.
Hey, did you hear? Hear what? Matt's doing a giveaway.
Matt's not doing a giveaway. We got to turn this song off. Matt's not here, number one, and all the giveaways are over. We'll go to this one. This is a good song here. This is a good song right here. You shorted gold earlier? Nice, babe. Way to go.
Paint stroke candles in a jump cut frame. Colors spill lines playing tag with the flame. Ink drop signals doing stop motion moves. Every little twitch got
Spencer said, I think it was an interesting take when Matt said an AI trade bot can be only as good as who programs it. Yeah. I see a lot of people trying to make bots that can trade. Like there's the big thing right now, I think, is at least the thing that I've seen people trying to do, the bot traders, is like with Polymarket and Kalshi. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but creating an agent that can trade for you, I don't know, man. It's just, I still think that there's a big hill to climb for the everyday Joe to be able to have an AI agent that can successfully and consistently execute a trading plan in a market full of chaos. This song has such a good vibe, doesn't it? It's like, I don't know, it's just got like a cool, like, summer at the beach, just chilling. Is somebody calling out? Yeah, don't be putting calls in the chat, please. That is not cool. You can say I'm short, but you can't tell anybody in the chat to take a position. And that's just for legality purposes. No, it's cool, dude. No hard feelings. Yeah, I'm not mad. Just letting you know. You can say I think I'm gonna take a short, or you can say I am short, or you can say, you know, what do you think about a short? But you just can't make statements or like give instructions. The ticker's GC or MGC if you want to trade micros for gold. Well, guys, I think that's about long enough for me tonight. I'm gonna call it there. What a great week on the night shift. Man, you guys, this community, this is where it's at. I'm so happy to be here with you. I'm humbled and grateful that we got to have another week together. Be careful tomorrow. You know, there's still a lot of crazy stuff going on out there. If you're green, there's no reason to try to push it on Friday. A lot of people give back their gains on Fridays, so you got to be careful out there. Make sure you tune into Matt's stream in the morning. Don't go anywhere just yet, because you're about to hear the greatest outro song for any YouTube channel in the world. Check out Neon stream in the afternoon. I'll be in the chat for both of those probably. And then, of course, I'll be back Sunday night with you guys. Sunday night, we'll be kicking it off again. We'll start the new week Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern. But for now, it's time for me to say good night. Wish you all sweet dreams of green. Night shift is clocking out, baby. I'll tell Lady Darb happy birthday. She's probably watching right now.
Orders then final print.
Duarte Machado, good night. Coach Greg, good night. Tony B, good night. Dan, good night. Generic Slacks, go to sleep, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. Lewis, Mark Frank, have a great night, guys. Kevin, good night. Brian, good night. Walker Hound, sweet dreams. It's Burn Trades. Appreciate you being here, man. Wire Nut Cream, good night. Spencer, good night. Vivi, good night. Trey, good night, buddy. Have a great one. Ultimate Flow Objects, sweet dreams. Razor, have a great night, bud. Adam Daz, good night. Lewis, good night. Learnt Trading, the taste of Baker, or the state of Baker, good night. Good night, Mom Buck, sweet dreams. Thanks for being here again. Tony B, Dr. VJ 3000, good night. RP, good night. Dada Jagu, good night. Gary White, good night. I am Liquidity. Have a great night, buddy. Code 72, good night. Lady Darb, I'm coming for you. You're gonna about to have a great night. Heyo. Derek Lake, good night. I am Trady, good night. Blown Cop Car. Have a great night. Good night, Rogue. Have a great one, buddy. Adventure Rigs, good night. Brian B. Dog, have a great night.